akwakura mo Europe mpotemo a yagye ntoto ya number ya mereba betu yarofa na ne mpinfo ndidi nkoma esi nipa mi no ene ye po mo so mo nko etimi nkokoro na emema nko an ye po mo ye so kwa ye beboa na permit awodo na ye nya etimi edi amana we no libilibi no labalaba edidamu kama pa resident permit ne permit bi also nya etimi erebu ejuma no ebe remedy amount no oye bema na wani suadunu so obe ram Europe mpatama fa number we 0241 272 990 0241 272-990 sede medi kanken no mema nko a ene ye po mo so mo nko entimi nkonko ramo na ye fieda na eye den adwumadie kese no ebe ramdi da so de Kings no Honorable Kennedy e Japan MPR ma Sin Central na bo modern e baba be di na brabo mu nkomo ozo pimpa no obi odefo ena afia doye ne ne mo ye no e ya de ano eden papa na ne obaba be di nkomo a ye mabunu no e beboa ne nyina zo peso kokoko gina ye to abayi no na pipi amanyuko no otimi e baba be doma no na odoma no reso beba na waba be Ghana mampanyin ti e bo modern Friday bia 4 p.m. eriko ekoko ram 6 p.m. na je no na abo erikoko ramsi nunsia bebo no yere Kings neba be ramo etimi edi ema no che ye hyehyɛ ya ebeboa no ko de to na kwa meboa ma ye mabuna ere ni ejuma ye na afa ahokyera dokro ye no ye timi entutue na ne makoyie pa etimi edi amanti fiere bia no nan kokosi nunsia no na che say live on Sompa TV ewo Kumase Sompa FM Kumase ana fe Sompa FM osunyana Sompa FM so no ewo nkranzanti ne ayi fieda no na che say be ram na aboa na tutue na koyie pa etimi edi ama Vodafone semenka emfancho so mo de hyehyɛ pa ba na ne Vodafone cash special bundles no simple order star 110 hasha wabo mode etimi ajo credit no 5 Ghana cedi no ode yentutu ne ya yebo na ya ma 200 minutes obetimi edi di nkomo na no emako so na afia se abomode edi date etimi apiusu tibe bacho onfa onhema fa wohemu no edi Vodafone cash special offer yeri ababa bebazi star 110 hash star 110 hash wabomode na onso wetimi atona ne ma adeda di impretimi ere ama Vodafone further together na hyehyɛ no enso etimi adadi asaraka sere bi sonko emfa ema betway weekendi yebedi won na simple kra entutu ya betway for the aba na bababaze no ene said this time round rama www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh na wabomode etimi edi the golden booking code no etimi ayejuma munkomo no eya ade a ede ye papa ni nyina nzo mo se no no odi rama yebeboa nanema de ye pa etimi edi ama utwa from 10 Ghana cedi ekoko ram 40 Ghana na ne no nwantimi endia yebo modern sandu sika na etimi ede to come site wa na wahwa ram the golden booking code no na from 50 Ghana kon utwa eno nso no udi a sika bebre na mo wandi ene de edin se be refine na mo 10 Ghana to 40 Ghana no yere nhyehyɛ pa na ram de hia ene se wedi edu mfie no du nwotwe ede ekɔ animu no wo akonya so do ho ebetimi ram Betway bet your way na nema ended the so farmer drinks no mienu pe eno an ya bobo bia ema ya hode sonkom ye ba neba betramo ebo mode ye adwuma na timi eraba ntunjo dia manambo to na kokogina bako mixer 5G no adwuma ni ngabama ni nuaba ne abo mode etimi ade aye etiema hode sonkom ono me beboa na wagina na so na nema koyie pa etimi erama so ye adwuma den wa ye wie no mixer 5G no ene eba beboa na ahoden no etimi aba na ne Ghana o ma adwena de benyane no grace mo bebo modern ye yem niema no e ma ne bo adwuma jense ne yi ntinima moja no edi efusane a ye mbema no emiesisi no emu ye den papa ena green tea ne na ne srade a eboa ma body shape no nya ne yomo a ena di miso fruit drinks na ba drink amu ede akono onye bi na agba uzampa ehye organic fruit so ene abo modern ye dia ye ntina ye na aba abedinto na aba de dodo na eba be hye mo na me pacho e wo so modern now GB at the 7 hour tifa number 0246 270 221 0246 270 221 and 0558 106348 0558 106348 niambwa nyana manko ye mfama kwaku oche company limited mo amwo eastin ko for you monfa number ina komodide bia omwana monsa ntimi anka bi zanze no a ana nkofo no ma 0243 329414 0243 329414 nembwa na bibi under the so etimi enfama na fe KF Kinju Enterprise oro ani chemo enso ewo nomota so ame kumase ye omo so omo ebo adwumanti patamu afo no mon form number 026 3752 944 026 3752 944 na 054 4483 392 054 4483 392 ni amwa na nemanda dia overseas so kwa manager Daniel 21st kene kobwa na onsa na kabibi kan supermarket sisters abebwa na no so no wenye bi mama Esther woro wani achemo Atcom Royal Ventures no Watra Baptist University buakwa obo ejuma PNC Ventures Anomanji Taxi Station opposite Charity Hospital Junction no obejibina na Sachi Enterprise no woro wani HMO Asafo Abinchia also VIP car park no ye bwana ne madadi pa etimi ediama to ma daroma je romu ewa amano ne apomodena yetimi abobobo sesem no so a etimi ediama na ne niama dedadia di German Bondos Liga 1 no esan abanso baka anobe die papa refisha ejepene na netimi eroma etima ye from obam nchomomoko akwakuram no ma ne vida bremen so no etimi ediaboni a egema anobe die papa emunkomo no ene sere niama no esi etie no bibibia toto na kwa ma na sister na game no etimi eroma of the game no paying friend Thomas Tuchel on your coach Jemena Mabaye no abomode didi nkomo era fari ken wa confirm media man say na de bibia didama start game no e dia momo.
Nothing happens today, nothing extraordinary. He'll start the game, of course. I'm fully aware that it's his first change of club, it's change of country. He has a personal family situation where he expects his next child. So there's a lot of things going on around a transfer, of course, of this size. There's a lot of noise, a lot of distraction going on. Once he steps out on the pitch, I feel him very composed, I feel him very calm, I feel him that he enjoys training and being on the pitch with the guys. And that's pretty impressive, I have to say. But of course, we managed to sign the captain from Tottenham and the skipper from England. So this is kind of what you expect, but it's still impressive when you get it and you see it in real life. And it's nice to have him. Nothing.
Tell you come on prepare for the Thomas Tuchel bomo date me to ja era ferry ken wa utie dio all kana chese ne no bomo dia start again with abeme na boa na ne ma da ye kama pa etimi edia ma ban boboko na onkomo no ye di era metimi era ma ye fio ne enko koro the French Ligue na ye rest the name isi etie ne game back o Japan to ja 7 p.m. no met boboko no mo trans in Olympic Marseille etimi era boni na no pe no ene unse Marseille boboko no abuo maketema omu fio mo mpeso ano so akwa kura no mo met area boy to join here Zampa moto saudona edi timbas na nima na chese lidi omo edi omako na nwumre omako akwa gina kono etimi agbo ma bibia adaye kama pa etimi edi amom na Paris Saint-Germain omo training no eje pene eko so anope enra ye to ani se Neymar Santos da Silva Junior ekoko ram obo modern etimi edi team no ekoko di nkra na after nkra no oberhe na ndo etimi ewram na ne wato aso ameba na maba bedi unkomo na ne adaye pede amana no pe no momma me omo training no time omo pie erifi dressing wa no omo eba no o se Kylian Mbappe ababa be join omo ne omo na ye dwuma nyon no ko Hakimi Ashraf no so no e kan bi na ne ye wo Ousmane Dembele enso e kan bi na akware so a ye friend Ishmael Gabi omo nyina e probody ane no omo timi join training no na wa ma me time na omo e training no ene sere ne ma esi akwa na tumu sampa enhyehyɛ de hye kama pa so no etimi e ma team na no e den na ma me Kylian Mbappe ene ni nu ye friend Ethan Mbappe onza Mbappe ni akuma no ene obo modern any senior team no na a training team no na unzampa enuanom no omo Asia wo training grounds wo ni na mo no omo edidi din komo se beboa na ne ma da ye pa etimi edi amom de eromo e wo Francis an edidi din komo no mere to ani ma no panse nyambo ochna ye re ni mu se nipa 70,000 ebeba ababe romo e wo Al Hilal o maso ani na ene se Neymar unveiling no ana presentation e beje pene na etimi akoso na no pe se ne flight no a delay kakra na mama me flight na yini ehwe niama ne de dia around bell say 11:15 a.m. no buna ketemi na fe no achera no embo be say 65 there no wakwa di Saudi importer man ra obomodi ono nyane ne girlfriend no etimi ekrakra nkonfo se bebi edu no ejuma no mba be ye ne ade a akọ etimi edi apema ewo so mo kokokoro be foforo no mo so no etimi abu ejuma ntia no ye nkoma oro wani chemo name o maso ya ebobo etimi ere ba yenko Spain kakra na ye resere ne mesiti na Ricardo moma me kam no ne ye resere ne ma nesi ekọ ewo Camp Nou ni na se ne omo bo modern renovation na eguso a ekoso entu join na hwe Abeka Stadium ne de kra no atete apansam na so we ne ewie na ye bo modern de aye adwuma uzapa ano edin ye papa enti ho na Barcelona omo match so omo bo modern etimi abode star run no ebesesa kakra na ya bo modern etimi aye ho adwuma na bo ma bibia adaye kama pede amomuntie no eye adwuma no sere nema esie kwana no pe no urwa ni chemo Ciutat Esportiva Juan Gampa training no netimi ekoso no a mere to wanim se Inigo Martinez aba be join omo netimi training anope so no etimi ekoso timi tete se weekend no aken Cardiff no beba na aba be jamo abo adwuma etimi era mabasa na aboa na bibia akoyie pa etimi edi amomonyo monko urwa ni chemo Atletico Madrid so mu training na omo so nebo modi anope no omo timi eye ya na ese netie Ronaldo entimi anjoni omo ebiti se Jose Maria Jimenez no soro entimi anjoni omo ena fe Koke Resurrection no soro entimi anjoni omo na Yano Black nina eni se pra na Roma amboa mane manko yepa entimi amfa momo na de woma are woni se yese nkwada reso mienu no na jezem nemeza helko ya de wenyini kakra ena akware so e friend Barrios omo soro entimi ni omo training but so omo de no ano enye de ebi ombe ready for weekend na helko ya de no na ebia omo jirisa ano eden kakra tie no de Real Madrid nso na no pay ya no orwa ni chemo body beba so omo training no etimi eko so ready akasem rante no ebi epra kutu apra Denis Ceballos epra Flomende no so enye free ten afi no ede Militao na Adagula baro join na hwa uze training no mo ye no Eduardo Camavinga enka ho yesi Camavinga ne na benkum no wabo modem nenya haw kakra on tinu nyambo a ochina game amado ni UD Amaria ede babani no oye doubtful kakra ne no ye nkoma ababa be Roma ano eden papa rope no yeri tuja etimi edi amanu fio na kokorama metetete se Adagula obo modem netimi ashase a ene oreso betimi a recover no yesi achera no the 24th September Madrid game a omone Atletico Madrid de bebani no yesi endu ona attack ni akwara no abo beba na nwa babe jama bojuma abo ma bibia akoye pa etimi era Madrid Ramo Ilia weekend omo so mo league no ebo modem netimi ashase na munkomo no na metetete se AC Milan for abo modem ayen hihye ya omo goalkeeper friend Mark Menya ye presi no etrase no bo modern na contract no otimi extend ye mo ye so extend ya or extend until 2028 no echi no ye be man be say 5 million euros a year so nje eno ye score for embo modern na ontimi afanya tutie ni ye na emmo na hihye no koye pa etimi emfa emma no ntie no so no enkomo kakra baba be Roma no pe no me di etugere ama na mama me Milano mo likely line up a entutie de dia bi against Bologna no omo de beba na baba be jamo etimi abo ejuma entu join ya goalkeeper Mark Menyo ebera post no mani mo no ye bo mo de etimi abo Malicha una afi so no Fikayo Tomori enso no e bo mo de etimi ajana Pierre Kalulu erebi so no net se na chese Tio Hernandez omo so no ebebo ejuma midfield no ye Tijani Randes and a Radi Chronic and Afi, Luftushi, come on, Nenebe John anymore. Your BT said Christian Pulisic, Olivier Giroud and Afi Rafael Liao, Tomo, and a Berhena, or more Ejama Bujma Boma Bibia, Akoye Kama Pansoro, et Timi Ediamo Manano Paya, and a Chelsea album Modia officially or more confirmé, the Romeo Lavia on Ghana Nia Quadana, Ojamu Bujma, Netimerama Belgium, no, at joining on more a 7 years contract, and Nino, yet Timi Ediamana Dino, or more air confirming video, no more. Nano Eden passé nana esiete.
Oh, le big boss.
Tu mets déjà du bleu ou quoi?
Ah ouais, là je découvre.
You are now listening to Young Jinx.
Put in the work for years for this ain't no coincidence. Back then when I was so lit, now I'm lit there. That bees they curved the kid back then when I was so lit, now I'm lit there.
Tiano ya kwen omo fa so ebo mo de etimi e confirm ye ze ne no akwada na adjourne omo ne omo baba be ejuma na po ma ne madaye pa etimi edi ama after no ma confirm say JC number 45 era ne wa for de baba ejuma po ma bibia akoye etimi era ma Chelsea ti afi omo midfield no emezeja e wo ye pa presence ne wo Romeo Lavia na wo Enzo Fernandez na afi so no wo Moises Caicedo mo na Conor Gallagher mo etiche na omo eye ejuma tumu sampa bibia da ye kama pa so no etimi era ma club no na ne omu sign wa yana komodidie na akoso na ze Edenaza a legend etimi ade ma Chelsea na amontwe na mu video we akwa de bape ni ababedi hu nkomo.
Oh, le big boss.
Tu mets déjà du bleu ou quoi?
Ah ouais, là je découvre chez toi là. Ouais, là je suis en train de visiter le centre et tout. Donc,
Bien.
ouais.
Félicitations. Hein.
Ouais, merci.
Tiano ya komodidi etimi akoso between Romeo Laviana and Chelsea omo legend your friend Edenaza na Sompa no obisa ne se o ko ba mana no so o kra wa she training ase no bana ba so mana kwaba ejuma no ba be no hwe na onye ne mboa man totu enko yie pa emfa emma no na emu nkomo no boy na kasa omo bisa se dienti ero chusu Chelsea so ba nya ba be Germany omo ye ejuma se niam miensa no si Chelsea omo project no eno na nche club no omo ambition no na face no omo history no kan bi na ni no what choose so ni omo baba be adwuma no si team no ansa na oba beba ne onkofo bi wa onim omo papa si Chelsea wa kware so bi ye friend Diego Moreira onim no eno enanche no ebi ti se we si Fofana na danfo nti one no etimi akase no transfer ape eno hu se ho no owura ebrebo ma ne ma koyie pa etimi ara mana for si ne ni age za kwenya na base ne oba na baba be jama bo adwuma ra ma Chelsea na boa amantoto na koyie pa etimi edi ama omo nti no eye nkoma no do wani echema na chese Romeo Lavia after say about de etimi e confirm no odi ababa betu ya Manchester United na no ye kan ye Zamprenfo na J Eddie atum say Mason Greenwood besen aba be join team no ne omo etimi aye adwuma se a kire no nyambo abenada e be official ne omo communicate to the club no so omo Mason Greenwood mra e ma me rom no ne omo embo adwuma ne mo amatoto no enda ye prefam no pay Arsenal bo modi omo te Jesse no ye timi apa ontuma na Jesse no ja wo bruta o join ye na wo hwe ya atum Sompa en no ye the official Jesse anyambo Arsenal for bomodena omo edi aye djuma na Sompa ya pa ontuma Jesse no eja wo papa efre pa this season omo hwe na omo aboana ne mada ye pa etimi edi amom ne enko dwama so na ye ndidi nkoma akra no yesere ne ma esi eti amenya ne tias yazinde na Ramos Saudi Arabia patama IT abobuko no edidi nkoma na nkomo so omo hwe se Sergio Ramos beba ababe join omo yese asa now no team no embo moden entimi enre Ramos an nkomo twetwe no entimi ewie preti e kame se deal no e branding kakra etimi era ma Ramos so beba na waba be jama bo edwuma etimi era ma monte no e nkoma ababa be Romani na no ye di tudwa etimi era ma na Eramusa no menya ne tiase PSG omo captain na ye friend Marquinhos already no wakan dia cho mo se sa kwenya ne ba na Etihad for ne yo madwen so mo pen so mra ne ma mejamo ene omo embo edwuma pa dia ye brand ye de na pa ba be shim na wabo ma bibia enso adeda ye kama so no etimi edi amo monte no no e nkoma ababa be Romani na mo no ye di Eram na hye no so no netimi ada ye so etimi edi ama no fiona ro ani chemo o Barcelona so assist on komodidi no eguso a ekoso abasa ene Atletico Madrid de kasa omo so omo peso omo bo modena bes 7 to 8 million euros no e loan fee omo di Eramo na Joao Felix aba na ba be Ramana waba be bojuma etimi era ma Barcelona ntia no so no enkomo kakra ba be Rama ano edin papa na Cremon Longley na Barca for ne si o akwa no omo ya di no ya kakra ni nyina zo omo si omo pushina zon koko Ramos Saudi Arabia akwa no si onko no omo ogire se Tottenham Hotspur for no twa omo tore am so no omo bo ne nye na so no ni nyina mo no akwa no nko Saudi o si onko ti Barca for no esi omo suo kakra se ne and real na ska that Tottenham for no e de ba ne ska no so no e wo form ye pantie no ye nkoma aba be Ram Juve ma so no omo so omo ho na offer bi ba ye offer no na efi AC Milan na so ye ne ba na be Ram no omo ba no omo so omo pe mo skin so mra e ma me join omo on loan reporter metete no e jeze ne omo abomoden I rejected that offer there some more skin be kwa omo giri se on permanent basis na o se ne no okokoko Ram no so no etimi ebu adwuma Inter Milan for esi baby an komodidi na kwadu no omo ogiri pass Benjamin Pavard beba na nyaba be join omo eni omo etimi abu adwuma na omo se oresere ne mesi kona sika no omo di Ram around 30 million euros no omo ogiri pa se Bayern for no ebetimi asobo na Benjamin Pavard aba be join omo ne omo so no etimi abu adwuma na Pavard nkomodi no ena omo se Manchester United manager Erik ten Hag ene no ne kasa ye pa e ma ne ma de da Diana nkorese Pavard beba ne aba be join omo na so ya si Jacob Parry Maguire dana entimi ambam no eno kan bi na ma sa move no enso entimi ambam tie no ye de aba be Ram na unso already no Marcus Thuram mebo adwuma etimi ere ma Inter yes Inter for no e chese Lazar Sam is deal no entimi ankom no ombre na ni e friend Kefren Thuram no ye de ono so aba nyaba be kan no mu nyina abo adwuma bo ma bibia akoye de amom no ye de to anim se Chelsea e wa krawe so bia ye friend Luis so de adwuma no obo no e ya de ano edin papa ne a press conference e call so omra ne manager ye friend Eddie Howe ye Eddie Eram against Manchester City no o kan wasem say no kre na kwada ni bobo say no bobo de ni say ni Ram
and see what happens today. He's a player that I like, very versatile, really good potential.
Going back to what you said to us last week when you talked about possibly needing to be creative, I think you said in the transfer window. Would it therefore
Sompa Sports.
a loan deal that you're looking at with this one, or any other possible income?
Yes. Don't want to give you a one-word answer. Let me try and add to it. But yes, I think it is, yeah.
And you also said that you were hoping for one more player, so is that still the case, that it would be one more signing rather than this and potentially more?
Yeah, I think if we were able to bring a player in, that would be our transfer business concluded, unless there was injuries within our own players. Wait and see.
Ati anu ye command open pana po modern Eddie Atuja Newcastle United on transfer no and what did he do come say no cre akwada ni nimbo bopanto nyana ebrebo na mo reso mbenya ne loan aba be jeno abo ma ne makoye pa etimiera ma Newcastle United and ne Roma etimiera ma see United manager Erik ten Hag aked their champion for said the next 48 hours no omo rempe attacker ba kubia obeba ba be ram na wabo ejuma etimiera ma team nezan so jiri sende no Holland nko an nya de se no ebetimi abo no gusu so benya attacker bi obere na wababebe juma etimiera ma club no tie no di ababere na se Sofiane Amrabat okone camp wa also mabamu yabuni na ze o ma reject offers awdo na etwe Manchester United na so asa na no until says United for no abomode etimi tu anamon bia se ene ye baba be fa ne so mra e ma me jamumbo juma etimi fa mama no pekra no ene yetete se Ryan Gravenberch enim se Liverpool for na abomode netimi di ho nkoma enko baba be journey omo no yes United for no so di omo agima omo pene so mra ne ma me Germany omosoro etimi embo ejumante no report ebo ba no pe no me di ewrame timirama ayo official Zene Tyler Adams ni move to Bournemouth no ya de bibia de dada na kwamune obe Ramo London okwa ye ne medical no niama de da sign contract etimi ere ama Bournemouth bobo kona nchemu no ene sere niama esiete ene esi around balance 25 million pounds no eni scan ne ewramo etimi ede ama Leeds United na chese US ni ba no soro ekwa ko ejuma na boama to na koye pa etimi ede montata soro yere games na jepenena etimi eramu nei na boa amane amade da dimpa so no de Europe patam already ma bo modern the French Ligue no any German Bundesliga no ma bobo so etimi ediama na do ni ekoko chemo Spain say ne besi akọ 5:30 p.m. no and Real Mallorca mo ne bia boboko no and everybody na 7:30 no Valentia yanso ebo Las Palmas boboko no uramo the English Premier League ma and also match ba kwa na eram no 6:45 Nottingham Forest mo and Sheffield United and the Ebobania, Ebuamane Makoye pa, Etimiera Montim Renitino, Mamena me homra, me kwa de bape, Abegafona ye crado, na de akibia, atwaso Etimiera Mamo.
You ever buy credits where you get up to 20% of your money back before? Like I tell you about Vodafone's demo promo. See, anytime you recharge a demo, you get up to 20%, whether it be short code or your Vodafone cash wallet, or you don't use credit transfer to your number or someone else. And now you be high tech, so you don't use my Vodafone app or any payment app. However you do, Vodafone go send you up to 20% cash back into your Vodafone cash account. Who reload here? But then you enter. Top up your airtime with 5 Ghana CD or more in Vodafone's demo promo. And receive 20% of your money back straight into your Vodafone cash wallet. Recharge and cash out in the Vodafone demo promotion.
Vodafone, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator and landing of Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
The first days of Beat the Odds has concluded. Now that you're settled into the new season, you still have the chance to win. Beat the Odds this season and you can walk away with the grand prize of 250,000 cedis in cash, plus amazing weekly free bet prizes. Enter today. Visit betway.com.gh for more information. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply. Betway, for the love of the game.
Top-tier study abroad consult has made it easier for you with a team of 18 years studying and traveling abroad experience. We assist students in pursuing bachelor's, master's, postgraduate, and doctorate programs in US, Canada, UK, Australia, and among others. We provide SAT, IELTS, and TOEFL classes to aid you excel. We can help you get partial or full scholarship to study in the United States and Canada. Locate us at Kumasi Amal Telecom, adjacent Bank of Africa. Call or text us on 0260411 or send us a WhatsApp message +1 646 659 5045. Accra office, Medina Rolling Circle, CC Hagan Plaza Building, opposite Medina Polyclinic. Call us on 020-3592-008. Takrady office, adjacent NK City Fire Service, Ifia Quanta Road, near Fijai School Park. Call us on 059-800-7852. Top tier, just study abroad with us. Top tier, we give you wings to study abroad. Top tier, our clients, our priority.
What day you and I see did you come and walk off abroad for free abroad in terms of our private master Abraham 52 estate construction and I said Dan Kamasano. I can't soon who be out. 52 estate construction firms in Kwan with them. Some because of Sompa. Company and a friend of 52 estate construction. Oh, I see. What on Sassy and your diamonds in home. And that was see a dance or tongue or some managing properties. Naturally, Upa Dayato, Upa Sasiato, and as a Upa Jumukubia, I'm in modern houses. I'm when you be at Mo, now, Unim, we feel crowd was see a Timono. Sir, Nebrachum, now we judge the ma 52 estate construction for. That is a design in your Fabian. Mo, yes, I won't put down in your group. But so Bessia down more than one sure one casa would do fear. Wow, one more him 52 estate construction. Our Kisseman, Gimpa Achimata Road, for 0556 72 33 38. And the Kumasenso, page 4 and 12 Road, over 0531 52 57 97. Social media now so
sciatica expert. Sciatica no, when nerves never to us and if I was simu, never on Nansia, Bessia, Siacono. Say, who teach him and not any friend sciatica. Now, it me boo or to us say, cow say, Dre, with slim, would you baby and ye? Nano na 21st clinic by ye Juma Power Muyintia Basubo, Majin or Ghana ha, any amonone and Yansam Ketua. Wamuji international awards ahodo wamuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na wamu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa wamu de bibidro ene besa oyare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a woma gidi wamu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ni ade Ghana ha baby a wo mo ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert
Introducing Pick 4 from Game Park Games, the easiest lottery to play and win. Pick 4 numbers from 0 to 9 up to 3 times a day to become one of our daily winners. More moolah, more power. Play online at www.gameparkgames.com or dial *946# to play. Game Park Games is regulated by the National Lottery Authority, not for persons under 18. Play responsibly. Pick 4 from Game Park Games. More moolah, more power.
Alright, yama wadi na yetimi ensign and twaso na de akebia. Eramu from Michael Sarbodo aba kikwa on birthday specials na yenko na mombo modien be ramo Benigulos more. Any year old happy birthday Ramu from our bro. Nana Kwame sentence ewo hollow trees. I'll say na yo da no nyamisha papa nomboa na nyamandeda din prefer ezubo ejuma de palo trees. So ne nyamisha ebin kwen fama Ganasco happy birthday en kwen fama openkese na nyamisha na omwa na bibia ndeda na kwamu so no etimi emfa ema na febi so no Eramu emfa Lisa Adey mensa Lisa na ye ni Lisa na wo fidioma bara okọ Kuramo Ken UST a hono wa eni no oku school na is level 300 Ken UST hono wa nei obo ejuma kama pa so Lisa happy birthday Eramu kama so emfa mana fi mama dede mi am wife no me bra panyini Anaman na wife no zo dede ene yo da no nyamisha papa na de opibia Eramu kama so no entimi emfa mana totie no endida di na fi Mariam Yusuf so no ne dodo na afro Mami Yesu o swame ene yo Dr. Abedi Kwara so eke police ni adro ze enramu kama pen fama so Mariam happy birthday enko entimi enfama na ebi nko enfama Richard Boatin Amwa do na friend sketches or one chimo faculty TV a hono wo bo adwuma menu ano no so sketches and I order no so nyamenchi papa na bibibia ende dana kwamu so entimi enfama na ebi nko emfa Emma Jennifer ya yenu systematic ene no video anu anu no Jenny ewon kranza so Jennifer obra se ni order no ho ka ne adibia wafa ti nyamenchi apa na bibibia so nenko yeso entimi enfama na Angela Opoku Ajeman o Bokrum ene okosu St. Monica's College of Education na fastest talker ze enko enfama Angela na bibibia ende da yeso entimi enfama na hihye no enko yeso entimi enfama ntie no ba minim ze we amba 60 kwan ponsa African child kumo and any sister no so say enramu kama pen from man migina bibia aboko de
abunyame adom bibia kama
yenni komo akre ye sere ne city.
All right, so your Ghana players via transfers from ho the enda no permit me aka Joseph Pencil. The news regarding Joseph Pencil, they say he is not likely to move to the championships. Na Southampton a panel, and they muted at swap between Omo and Abrantia or no free Genk joining under Southampton. That was during last transfer window, no, in the winter. Now Okoye no Newman farm. I'm talking about Paul Onuachu. So they wanted a swap between Omo. Genk here, the player to still be in their fold until Munyanka Paul Onuachu will return. Nanko swap with Joseph Pencil, but he's not so keen on moving to the championship as it stands now. Hona move Nijina. Jeremy Doku. So what I can confirm now is that he has a verbal agreement with Manchester City. Jeremy Doku, any city has that verbal agreement. But the Akani say clubs ni no better as your Bekasa. Into City are basically done on the player side. What is left the club side? Says so Muditi Hong Kong away a loop from somebody based in Belgium, no leak information where Miss Maker be their chair a year for near for Nanka no and can be. But let's start with this. Louis Hall, a young player, hugely talented, 18 years old. Oye boya, shared the talent Okita, any the potential Okita. Basically, he can rise to become a very, very good player in the game of football. Oye versatile, ball central midfield, ball left side of midfield, sounds to me ball as a left back. Now, baby, I will draw on a career muno. What he needs is regular game time to improve and then enhance the development. Adia or no. They are no. Can Chelsea offer it? No. Chelsea are at a stage where they are also looking to build a formidable side that is capable of winning trophies not just on the domestic front but also in Europe. And Chelsea need players who are already established to play. Along the line, they make arrangements for players almost so bad they will need some few minutes. But this is the situation. The boy wants to play now. Chelsea will play in very few competitions as compared to last season this time. The Chelsea left back situation, no, people forget, say, as it stands now, maybe Luis Hall will be like third choice or maybe to some extent fourth choice. Because Ben Chilwell, Kukuela, Ian Matson, and then potentially Levi Colwill can still play. And the boy waits now, which is regular game time. The best thing to do is that you fulfill a player's wish. As it stands now, Newcastle it is all open, and Newcastle want to get the boy in their books because almost few say and particularly Newcastle have an issue with their left back.
Yes.
And at times I almost this tall striker defender Yomkofano from Brighton, Damben. Or to me Besha Honobo as a left back, but Damben is a centre back. So if they are getting this boy, he will get the regular minutes he needs. He will get the right room to develop because under Eddie Howe is one of the nicest managers one can work with. And in terms of talent development, so clearly the two get to work together in Ebebua. And they also work for the same agency, Wasserman.
Oh, okay.
Eddie Howe Jumama Wasserman, the same agency of Morani Mikel Arteta. So agents we are boy in so clearly they get to meet and then things will work out well, hopefully, or call loan. and then they make it permanent for £28 million. I think it's a good deal. People are talking about the fact that Chelsea might come to regret later. Regretting something like this, I don't think we can decide now. Theo Walcott was a very promising talent, and he's saying bye-bye to football. He never maximized his potential, never reached maybe a juice or bedu. So potential is not enough to cement a player will be great and only great. Only time will tell. And as it stands now, the timing is right for Chelsea to move on from Lewis Hall, Norma Coleman, to Rhys James. Rhys James has answered Prabio, and it is becoming consistently worrying. Meshe Rhys James ne injury ne nyomonya. The player that comes to mind perhaps will have to be Vasiriki Abu Dhabi.
Yeah.
Abu Dhabi was a fantastic footballer, solid in every sense of the word. Bono Onimbo, very good tackler. He was basically a midfield enforcer, a midfield enforcer. The ono person, he pushes it through the middle. Then he helps every manager who game plan be an obey to utilize him because technically he was brilliant as well. But for one thing, injuries. On your 42 different injuries when they carry a more, Abu Dhabi never rose to the level and he so obey to me drew. Potentially when the time was right, they felt player no was leaving at the point in time he didn't even achieve up to 10% of the potential. So player be there. Ade do nya pass when you if you are able to escape that barrier, now in between playing consistently and still delivering on your potential and the mouth me drew. So imagine a player like Messi. Nanka Messi ball nimboni na no Messi ball 4 matches no atnefi. Messi ball 3 matches no atnefi. It would affect and as a bit disrupted the momentum. And manning to do baby episode. So the biggest enemy to every footballer is injury.
Now no do baby ya meba you need the nyame hihye esitie ba ya na fa bibi mfi omo ba ya bibi mo so ndro mo yi o.
Okay, so it be a lifestyle.
Yes.
Ebi so ye ne body na nkasa se ne esitie. There was an issue with Dembaba na all by England no. He initially was not supposed to join Newcastle. Yep. Omo ye test ye bibia no omo hu say ne kotodwe no issues wom, and if they sign him ebe home, so they left him and sana Newcastle mobile be poachia. He became the hit that he was supposed to be. There have been players who have had injuries linked to their body framework. Send your body in city no and more munya injuries in them. So ebiswa based on that. Ebiwa and a lifestyle. In the case of Rhys James, and this is how disturbing it gets. In the last 4 seasons, for club, Rhys James are missing close to 50 games.
50 games?
Yes. For club and country, echo 80 games. Yes. That is how disturbing it is. Last season in Kwano, on my Rhys James injury history now, Rhys James missed 25 games for Chelsea in all competitions. That is 5 games more to 30 games. And you will be league full season. No. He sat out through injuries. And injuries no check here. A hamstring. Hamstring has to do with Nesre. Then our thigh problems. Then hamstring, knee injury. Hamstring, osre chi. If you see adibesi ukoto no. Osre nechi no. That is a hamstring. If you pull it, you could ever obet me as a strain or a tear. So based on the various degrees of hamstring, I'll be the period I'll bet nanche. But what causes it? As any athlete, so to require sudden stops, overlapping runs anyway. Now, baby, your bonus will count. Into overlapping runs, your passable ma will break you wedge nano. Me nano, Emma, we are prone to these kind of injuries. But how does he deal with it? I think that James Nankasasu, to some extent, perhaps will have to look at himself. I think that the body need the way it's here, no. Muscles no need the way I see are building a huafano. To me, he looks more of a bodybuilder than somebody who is actually in shape. Yep. You guys will be in shape. Just physically, the joints, the BBS is so kama. Was stretch it, ma BBI ye kama. So a rare SSR person, no best of more muscle injuries, Nesanyomano. I'm only speculating here. For James, Michelle, what building a home? Once I saw Washishaka crack. Good. But Oh yes, Anna, it might expose you to certain things because especially when you are stretching your muscles.
Sompa Sports.
Ne upper body ni mu edu. Ne form no so ye kakra. I hope you get it. You are supposed to stretch. You are supposed to run. You are supposed to do so many kinds of exercises. Player now, muscles in him, stretch him. So potentially leaves you more prone. Maybe you are more in shape. You keep a balanced body shape, body size. Now, it might limit some of these injuries. It is a big concern. And for him to realize the potential, Rich James is not the best right back in the game now. But all the attributes, you can't say the best player say our attributes need to fit that description, say the best right back in the world. But even one full season credit so obey me abo. So how then does one make a case that Rich James now the best right back in the game? It is disturbing. For Chelsea, they might think Malo Gusto will fill in there. But the greatest concern is if your captain will sit out for less than 20 games, more than 20 games, it becomes a big question mark and it's something that needs to be addressed. Crucial. So it's Omudin Hujuma and yes, Anyoma Bekechre. To some of the newspapers, need your more reporting with Italy. La Gazzetta dello Sport, Yaba, say Luciano Spalletti will take over as the Italian national team coach. Until macho l'Italia di Spalletti. There's a Spalletti's Italy. No macho stuff about the contract, no about and they've talked to Gravina, Bibia de Danakwemo. So potentially he would take over. This particular development, there was a war between Napoli president ADL and the FIGC, the Italian Football Federation. There was no feeling say, wait no money in that war contract. They will pay him some money. So I was anka FIGC in compensating Napoli. Maybe tomorrow we'll look into that. The notion as you Baggio, also Kasa said he never envies players now more cause Saudi Arabia. But I on the time and Kebia uncle.
On the time and give
uncle. Sabotage si player be in so. But also on the CCA no. Enya di Obeka Setia player beer all free Italy and na Europe. And the Akwa Saudi Arabia Kobobo. What is saying indirectly to mean that the era now a womb football now. It is more than the players' ambitions and person a bomber top club. No, money runs the game now. Even for the organizers, I don't think the players never matches be now. Organizers need more money. Sponsors are coming in. FIFA is expanding the World Cup. Most of these federations are expanding on more competitions to allow for more games. It is for revenue. So if a more organizing game, nuclear pesca, and a player no born on your pesca. Yes, and the Saudi market offers good money. And most of these players are players now born on Bebo Europe. For players who still have their ambition intact, I don't think they will consider. But the point is that if I am moving to Saudi Arabia, it's to secure my future. And also got back you and say, oh mama me chambo be say and I wait by me do when him now but no dear uncle. He's from a different era of the game. On the time and on that game Nindru baby Adruno. These were very good footballers then. But Sikana will be more GCCA, you know. May have any can maybe Kaya Vet Musica no more general. And Nakabajo Mube deserving more than 3 times. Because Wemo Bobo. Wemo are making money. At the era of the game, and we need to appreciate it and fall in line with what Baggio is saying. To the next, there is still something about Lukaku and then Juve. But Juve will not just get Lukaku. You move on to Corriere dello Sport. Almost I reported Berardi sell offerta. Now, as a Juve are offering 20 million euros for Domenico Berardi from Sassuolo. But Sassuolo are looking for 30 million. Along the line, there needs to be a compromise. And the Juve person said they want to offer close to 25 million. Normally, the player back account on loan to compensate for the absence of Berardi in the Sassuolo setup. Berardi has been a Juve player before. Nyoma Namfa, then loan deals or Motonema Sassuolo. So going back to prove that he belongs, it is something that he will love. And Allegri wants him on board to also help his cause. And the two, Okotuto Sports, they are also saying something similar. And then let me end with this. Chelsea's midfield is complete. Na akampaibo. Intended empire yebama Chelsea midfield no. Bet me amanako.
Father, in the name of Jesus Christ, Ewari ma omo ball. Eche Messi. Ewari pejano yele kasia. How did the name of Jesus Christ disappear? Ewari ma play away. Omo superstar player. Ma play away. Pejano yele kasia. Ewari play away. Oh, not team Ematono. Oh, yeah, team. Oh, the fellow just much. Germany. Ematono. Ma play away. Oh, let's go. And to pray. And to shape. At the quarters. Buses. Tiba drop. Ewa ya sudimu. Pejano, nene kasia. Ewari chano. Let's go. And to G-Wagon. Rolls-Royce. Amada. Dantre. Oh, Monsi Adang. Ewari, ma want to I was saying class be said Range Rover, Rolls-Royce, Amada, battery.
For mattress, no, almost sharing name of your movie biani idea query, mattress any affordable and Ghana biadia too much here me at me coin me be was all that's why. Any also corner cocojuta, your mouse in your pamada so far and pebe boama brabo pano, wet me a bonanema did the pay to me a man, Juma Paul Muyinti, your Bomodian 16th Ashanti Business Excellence Award, no, only the 20th anniversary of Otun Voze to the 2nd. Your Bomodian gold medal, now just a good award, a Roma to Muzampa, or more average my papa, Yanonko, almost Zambomodia, the 12th Ghana Business and Financial Service Excellence Award, no, yes, some Royal Form mattress for what is as a or more average my papa, Royal Form rest assured. For Manamano, Neomundin Komogana baby ubia, Yabuana say to me, I kept 0202. 271000 0202 271000 nabwa nanema dead in pray to me Eda Mabio Yago
Mira Midasi P say Maxwell ewo achima crosso or ye juma National Ambulance Service and Maxwell ne birthday Maxwell Freedom Micro Max happy birthday I mean kan no nyo kese Samson e kram ponsa ya inua African child kumo hate maker no and inua ba no happy birthday have a nice one. Quite clear. Sometimes you need to take the fiction away from the non-fiction. Now you facts no, a free hype no. Maybe sawa out away. Rhys James, what was his best season?
James,
no, calm down. Academic exercise.
You're real near the Bia Opera.
No, the Bia, I told the Bia Obo. I need the Bia in a real pra. I told the Bia Obo. But I would want to know what his best season was.
Over here. Chelsea first,
Chelsea first there.
The Lampard be ye Jumana, Ayiba twice the Omoje Champions League, to kill the Omeje. Part be ye Jumana, Ayiba twice the Omoje Champions League, to kill the Omeje. And Nunami who said, I'm up for your corner. At the time, I'm here to be out in chain.
Great. Now, last season, Chelsea J Champions League. Was he one of the best performers in the team?
Say top players. No,
calm down.
Calm down. Be first 5 you with me abam.
Has there been a season where Rhys James I said outstanding wise, both defensive and offensive contributions for a fullback, like he's giving peak numbers?
Dabi, and I'm sure.
Premier League standard ni frame for me, a fullback standard no, for fullbacks for attack. Actually cool.
Yeah.
Most of our board are standard and I even half in a season.
That we don't do baby.
Good. All right. Good. Good. So you see, sir, unnecessary Trent Rhys James comparison, right? Am I hear the unnecessary pressure to play a fena or developers? Where is James at his most consistent season in recent times? The Obo or Wigan?
Yes.
No, sir. So the essay and answer pro when you give him the opportunity, okay, say, okay, resume. Your man the time now on developing according to his body. Like what David. Let's stay off this unhealthy comparisons. Let's stay off unnecessary theatrics. Or you need yakra footballers or peak performance age according to Nipa Mini deal with football. Between 25 and 30. Regimes were saying.
Oh, James will form Kakao.
So what's the
form
pressure?
Kakao around 23, 24, 25.
What is the pressure?
Or more money pressure?
No, because some of the things we would expect from him, right? Look, has there been a season where Wama, Trent Mo, Coleman, more offensive numbers? Maybe I'm sorry. I'm on left back now. Free Wigan call Everton.
They.
No, she must come and do for Ireland nearby. Now no more left back be no so bomber England.
Leighton Baines.
One man offensive numbers nibi.
Dabi. If you have to for the home.
Oh, no, come on.
Baines move on the bishop.
Pacho, Nyabuche.
Leighton Baines move on the bishop is no way so do near about you go hard drink.
Nyabuche. See, you guys would have to be gentle with him.
You don't have 23 years.
So I didn't think there was a man pressure. The body in Africa and may develop here be seen. If Otimi free Sadi Wema between 26, 25, and 30, look, he can do anything. The skill set, no one. He can do anything. So why is the pressure? Huh? Nancy Anna, Liverpool fullbacks no. Omutimi Baines. Need no I'm say in a season now or Wama
Sompa Sports.
A particular number of assists and a Robertson. Look, so where is the pressure? Ashley Cole. When the first time I meet him, me count now best first time I met Ashley Cole say I'm a Kaiser Ashley Cole and I'm on was in 99. Nigeria 99 under 20 no. Ashley Cole about as a striker of my England.
Oh, okay. No boss as a striker. Emma England. Anuntia. All that you go on in penalty bopa.
Look,
Oba ni muswa. Obesa crab shows is here.
So where is the pressure for a team that had Ashley Cole? Where is the pressure? And when if you don't know what you have until it's gone, not the Aspilicueta at all. I agree because the context of that post from that Chelsea fan about durability.
Yes.
But Aspilicueta was a very good defender.
Sompa Sports.
And occasionally he get you a good cross. But he wasn't an exceptional player. Internally and externally, Michael Moma crowd pressure in this one of the man. And it comes at a cost. Allow him to develop. Kwaku, I'm saying there are Liverpool coaches no, and the fans in the protected Trent. No?
Yeah.
Do they provide him that? About so friend the captain clinical said.
Or just the Omomuze Rhys James in the
no, he's
England
not.
On the right back again.
No, he's not. He's not. I don't have a problem with that.
I was only Bob Butcher right
he's
back.
Not, he's never had a consistent year in the Premier League. I don't navigate but yeah, Bobo not to hospital. Abu Dhabi is not the best example for me.
Sompa Sports.
The best example na Kremo Abachiron. Okay, look. Munim Kieran Dyer.
Dyer, former Newcastle United.
Like unya daji.
Nah, me Dyer pa. We are daji hero. Dyer.
Emre na sona. Bonio. Okay, allow these people. Alberto Aquilani.
Liverpool didn't say Casio.
Fanny Roma days.
Roma days.
Some Bobo no woman. He's exceptional. Obenagris could have gone to the very top. Look, Ledley King.
Tottenham.
Okay, Empire neighbor said he does not become a crock. I've been watching videos where no more yoga bina he is failing at it and all that. I'm just hoping that you won't give him the pressure, especially with the captaincy issue.
Sompa Sports.
Now the body need to be developed. It will come naturally. Two things. Either Rhys James would come out of that with therapy, any diet, any new maybe, or he'll become a crock. There isn't a middle line. To mean a crock means Oboka Kranu e Pranoko. Oboka Kranu e Pranoko.
Marco Royce man.
Exactly. And I say he would come out. Won't say maybe a therapy be. I feel no problem. Give him the chance. Good, but
about Nena we are younger.
Make us say like my fat Trent and my fan the protection. Like I told you the other day, there isn't any argument that would say there is a fullback who offers more going forward than him. Se men cross the ball, no. Se men create man, Baki, he's protected. Nanu ya bobo akra nepra. All 19 now you could see say, onya injury no ni obi din komo. There was a player closer to him. One match, Rhys James was talking to the person about something. Coach say on one day in film no abre. So now the Obekwa Bontain for months. No, I've said it. Chelsea are lucky because avoid Malo Gusto closely for like 3-4 years. Okay, some guys will be to do.
Yeah.
Good. So they are okay. But look, take the pressure away from him. He's a young boy. He'll be okay. It's quite intriguing. So Coach Nebeka said, what break into no in the film. When he was in conversation with his fellow players there, look, give him the time. He has all the time to develop. He has all the time. Give him the opportunity. Footballers no one kasa mo brekwaku. Ne namfofo nyina ewo training pitch ne so every day. Omu wia no mo kobo match weekend no no nkwa hye dem no ye therapy. Oni omu nyina be didi o canteen ho. Obo so no nkwa akwa hye we electrolyte pool na omu shema no mu tumi rehabilitation. Say if he's not mentally strong, obetimi kwa break it down.
Yeah.
And there oye rehabilitation. Second one, okay, the who partner say now obe recover no aba. Nigerian is a ball with the come full body tackle. Once you know, na me corner me pray. Once I feel he's unable to produce what he was producing before. We said in that. You gotta look. So obey on moi. Oh boy, we didn't come born at once, pow. And so miss through. Boy, me come slide you. In a corner injury, this I feel once a born and Casano. Instead, send calling opponents near born on the Nigerian moon and their ball partners.
I train a modern
look, footballers go through a lot. Give them the opportunity. Give them. Give them the opportunity. I mean, when I saw the thing, maybe had right on the match. Me was only player and he didn't come out. And I was watching him. I sent me a notes for Managerial live. I'm saying, no, this guy's hurt. But it is what it is. Mira, Shakhtar Donetsk, Kobo, Hamburg in the Champions League this year. See a boss season where we are into 2024. Naturally, says Shakhtar Donetsk abo home away from home for 10 years.
Yes.
A decade. Samobe Kaya, Russia cover Crimea, no, please, it's in the folder. Russia for Crimea, no. Now, a confirm to about Eastern Ukraine, Donbass. Almost stadium, man, because in the original stadium, in front of Donbass Arena. Parkway, almost in 2009 for Euro 2012. It cost them $400 million.
$400 million.
Yes. And Fernandinho, Henrik Mkhitaryan, Luis Adriano. All these guys went through this. Ntokwani si no, omufri oko the arena of Lviv. How am see Omakai? Ehona Nipakra Stadium. Look, at some point, no more ton season tickets more than any team in Eastern Europe. Amfa, omuko Lviv na anyi. Ntokwa Sensia last season ball Poland. This year, almost sent Kwakoball Hamburg, Germany. In all honesty, and your man kuyi near the between home for, but Ntokwa nya de pa. Ntokwa 10 years in ye Shakhtar Donetsk into mobile. This was their stadium, their museum, their fan cafe, their fan shop. Bibia Brazil for uncray ban and no mobile, and no Shakhtar team now. Brazil for doesn't know.
Yeah, Swati.
I have no problem with
Sompa
Mudryk. But there wouldn't have been a point in time where Mudryk could have been the lead attacker for them. It's a project now. Now, Darius and Amoy and Jeff, if you remember, Omoko Brazil and Omoko Fakra the number. Douglas Costa, Alex Teixeira. Look, they were bringing these people just like that. Wagner Love started wa hands and all CSK Moscow. But in Tokwa side project nina and some the hardware areas we own Yamin Kwan no kwafo. 2015 FIFA area probe, the biggest probe against FIFA any prosecution. It was led by Loretta Lynch, no Attorney General, Emma the United States. Only Loretta Lynch. 2015, 2019, and no free Attorney General Hono, I call law firm be a friend Paul Weiss. Or call Paul Weiss no. Hono, and you who's a Paul Weiss, or money FIFA lawyers. Or no, not all chief if I'm paying for no. And now you're more law firm or money FIFA legally truth. 2019. 2020 Loretta Lynch ABN Anoa. Or say, you say, Neniaje, Kwaya FIFA for fast with you or Mujuma Hono. No bet me aka. Say, ne the area. FIFA no presume for their consistent transparency, ethical behavior, and the desire to improve. When in Sema Loretta Lynch, the former Attorney General, or the 2 years, Mire 2023, 3 years after, or joining a Paul Weiss in 4 years, and then FIFA a program at the Women's World Cup, keynote speaker, Loretta Lynch, on their own. Emre Dania, housewife Daniel, there she is.
Wow.
TNG a Football Republic on Befremi because me sure we are on Befremi say member na mekasa. Good news for Nigeria. Kweku. Yeah. Good news. I mean, my men are now chief FIFA for no. And now FIFA adamfo. Omo ye program omo say on Bekasa. Football Republic and so I'm one number from Mr. Bra, be keynote speaker. That's why I catch him. Toby Amusan Eba, and I'm happy. Say athletes integrity unit, no, a clearance. Okay, Nigeria do on list no. They entered here awaiting clearance. Problem in the for the past 12 months, almost more penetrate 3 times. Say, Omran and come doping test, no munyano, no man provisional ban. You find a whereabout violation. Now, the statement athletes integrity unit, no, AIU ni dia bar. Almost sign mami Aklen. Ntino Onye has indicated that is disappointed by the decision and then they will review it. Any award athletics, same Pombeko Casa. Name the disciplinary tribunal by a majority decision, no, almost she has not committed an anti-rule violation of 3 whereabout failures within a 12-month period. Nihu San. Ori no Tobu Amusan no so say mo dia to enim okache ni o say anopa no hu yes ampa Okobi. Hallelujah. Elroy Daddy. Nyaminji nkunim ni nyina. No, committed to a clean sport and all that. To my 5 fingers, God is the greatest. I genuinely appreciate you all for the support. Be careful. Mira, now this is what is at stake. Me, this is my prediction. Sebibian Sesan, Josephine Camacho Queen, Toby Amusan, Anna Cockrell, and a Divine Charlton, Samai, on meets me under 12 seconds in the 110 meters.
And I Cochrane anything, you know.
Cochrane, US for girls, no. Divine Charlton, and a Camacho Queen de Cuba. Now, in 2017, NBC World Athletics Championship, you know, EDKC in 2017, NCAA, so the National Collegiate Athletics Association, 2017, Portugal for Pricado, triple jump, world champion, Olympic champion. Wepra.
But other world athletic champion, Convo Prepara. Wabet we a pra.
A building. Jamaica going to competition. Oman naming athletics captains, Shelley and Fraser Price for Ma, and Francis Dakes for Mema. They need control. Jamaica said the Omuhia air control. They need somebody
that would control the team.
Manti, be up, my postum room. Now, I'm making kind message. Nikanamo, on 21st, can I come a kind of chose or more expecting Siatica. Now, Siatica no Ubisa, Wansema Yana, a Kofo Chichi Momun shed any matter crowd. The attorney say, what transiama to us in teenage chon, Eddie Fusi na Babe Far to us at the remote or search you or Eddie Quaqua Kuramo, nature bibi, one rent to Anama, the Bibi no Baba Bibu, Biaba Copa. We are seeing for nine in our Saha now. Yedeba is so to us here cry. At the money at 21st connect and no cabina. Ya bomb or dem bomb or sansa man and so more. A expecting Siatica. Or Majija was be in a Jumadio Mudino. So ya dear every year papa corner. Ebesa Bomani Maqueda Manania nonco. Zen no ya fruit Subabisu Nas and Yabia Aqua. A bibidron cutting at Rebecca Nabwa. Now we jam on our superman to Tianaco ye pere Malqua. Or more laba ye renia dusudusu. Neon said a Nemani Sieti and Tukwa. Or mobile modern laboratory now face can services no. Or mutimia na or massage and also no. Obenyanka Friday numerated said that be seen 1 Jumano. Nanka watu afa okwa. Ye massage wama mujane di fusani yeno. Na ya sani machine treatment no. Etimia count the amount here 21st connect kwa. And ababo modern ya Ghana po more than 15 branches or more age mapa. Kumase a overseas junction or more benafra radio. Or boase council court so called junction binyomo. A crowd wanichimo dome market abinyomo. Baby tise sunyane nkranza any techiman. Who you know no ebu ejumana Ghana bibia antiko. Na kokojo ya isana neman kuye pa. Enfama o how be afre. Nani omonke zanzi ya yebi ere ndetimi eso ano. Number ni 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 yemwa na neman kuye pa enfama bozo ye romu kakra anzana mababa be kinkan message ni binafi yakuyeni
Abu, that's an interesting development. One, England, Ababa was a Dutch and by Penasempa, the English coach, Navegna. Almost see almost what of in fact, Mark Bulliam, CEO for FA, SC US form San Francisco. Now, the reason why this is coming up and say, Baby Albania do Siciano on England or contract to 2025. £400,000 a year. Now, all core work they should have seen on the evidence of the Amabina Bay crowd, no better me a yardie. Baumanya Sana owns a US by the worst ever US performance in the Women World Cup round of 16. Yeah. The worst ever. And because of the vitally and the no scare coach, Sompa forcing to resign. Now the US are coming after this one.
Omoba.
The whole. And the CEO of Federation is forced. Some mature statement. Say US and you must have so. Na mami we or mami am managing hopa. Omuni work contract. Na bibia 2025 na baby. Na enye sika ba mami no neji adwuma no ho. Omuni no apam papa. Enti omo making sure say omo ba ne ho. But it's funny from Mark Bulliam, the CEO of the English FA. Sebi I say what kind of mami so nyakola.
Idea.
Now, Adibako, so when the US female team, the most successful female team in the world, come calling for who your coach wet your salt or your bar, we a Bema coach, I say Real Madrid back calling. Just say be naturally a Barcelona could be by your class, when they come calling, you go. Because CV so no a Mao Jumano Baby, we are process as a team, we very successful, the most successful club in Real Madrid case. What coaching that is where the woman finds herself now. Now, ahead of the World Cup final, rather, this is what is really the case now. Instead of the New England Bayasha Spain dominating. Now, Omar Sheda Akatren said they have a proposed contract extension for it to 2027. Because it's a defending rule, no win, it's all defending rule, no Sanko 2027 World Cup. And the Ombe extended the contract 2027, Omar man £600,000 a year from the current £400,000 a year. Now, America are offering double of the 400,000 to 800,000 a year.
America for offer, no?
Or almost double. And depending on where England raises it to, they will be ready to match it. Now, the English are also being smart. So now the argument is that okay. So see, I won't say even the English coach Gary Southgate, the contract no with England, Euro 24 never expire. As a result of that, I won't say we are secret sell Barber coach Bema national team grad any ideas. And so, as part of their proposal to the woman, said Gary Southgate qua they might consider. Now the argument is that you can't say Bema coaching Bema team, but the best person.
And also be fan Bema team no.
And to them, the best person now. It's part of the proposal to entice her, Senebea, America. Sebi offer na free America bano. Mami be consider say dachi na Southgate kopa na me 3 Lions na see me be coach 3 Lions there. It's part of the office. Now this woman, ahead of the workout, you don't expect this Sandy Mary to be bottling her, but unfortunately, some managing this thing as well as dealing with the pressure of dealing with Spain in the final. But and for England to do that, whether when she wins the workout, which I think she has what it takes to win. So when you work up now, then this woman really will be a very likely that they can do that for her.
Or meet my man.
Yes, because I mean,
you have this my didn't have found the back coach
now because of that, no nyomu a man who near on be statue or on be statue kasi amamu na statue no so munyan baby at Wembley
and on be amo.
Yeah. And
why are the
and they've also said that they will, and now but once again from Mark William, they will make sure they erect a special statue for her.
Why are they?
That what she's done in their history. Coach be a bemo about that's them. So this comes with the backdrop say US SC Omopobano. Because US is your coach. It's Omopobano. So US are also waiting and watching what will happen, how it will unfold. Then whether they will come back again with their offer to give the woman. But woman also those she's somebody who wants to achieve. Because Oja Netherlands or after winning the Euro with them 2017, but finals then lost to the US. In fact, all those things, Netherlands has never been there because Omunye class A nationality when it comes to Mano. But all of a sudden, England, so a top final, do that. So we share the trend of the sources are incredible. And a possible scratch or call Martima. Near man or the year Martim unit possible. So I wish her the best. But to channel they can't find an answer, and I'll tell you why she looks likely to win the trophy. Now, Babajide Osonwa Olu, the governor of Lagos State, Lagos which in Ghana, Lagos population, so them say Ghana. So, a governor is like a Hano, and come share senior federal state will be a regional minister, but because of how big it is, we are governor of Lagos. Now, Asisat Oshola, the greatest Nigerian player, female player ever, to really display what quality football is, because yes, you can talk about Messi Akidi, Perpetual, and Kocha, yes. So, Ushe ni modern bona, free worker by no call. This is the governor, or call governor no, and governor no only Ababa Ajibade and a coy, and then Monday gift no more call. So they went and visited the governor. For me, this for a player. This is a big deal. The governor no one was on microphone. I mean, governor knows on share and pebbles, but Barcelona and Benfica last year 9-0 no. I said Oshola share 2 goals as City 2. So governor said, "And no all start here. So this is the game. And no all start here. Say all start share or develop interest in her. And no quantity no more or me inviting the buyer. The governor no say." Ni modern ball obisa no kwese na wo kra ma bobo Nigeria say ma bob Messi Akidi or ma bobo Perpetual, but why so we shrunku chombo? It was like an engagement, face-to-face engagement with him, just to find out say a DNA ma ba no like her yes and all kind about one the discipline, the commitment, and the fact say only or ban on yare as a younger age, and so she decided say oh ma say no end ma ni woni mono en confirm. So she tried to explode. And to area no Omano Agbabola. Yoruba for Omo salutation. Omudima Obio veteran or Dimu Ewom say. Fiti Enekono say ye bo ne din say Asisat Oshola wa Nigeria. Emu say Omde Agbabola no enka omano. Because Sebi or Sefata. Na owi eni nyina no because o kan so omo sika no be hwe bibia fa. Also we encourage you, continue to encourage you. Empower you and ensure that everything you need. And no, he didn't say that. But for me, this girl, what she has done, what share from Liverpool and Arsenal to Barcelona. And that is why I say the greatest Nigerian female player. And those did speak about it because Niawaye about Barcelona Abaji Champions League and their contributions have been immense.
Yes.
I don't think Nigeria will have any top and exceptional girl as we speak now at the level. Where Nani Papa Buffy and where Australia game no. Once on the share third goal no.
Yeah.
To your share third goal Naja. Or you Nema Papa was a Nema Negua Bontina and yes Babonti. Ah we.
Alors, on this is as FIFA for na Gelson Fernandez Omrana.
Yes.
On Fana son tite
Parliament so I invited the National Assembly of Nigeria invited the FA president. So every president.
Bishop. I was FIFA for local you be Gelson Fernandez in BT.
But the Parliament also of Nigeria National Assembly, Federal State.
I'm also up to Africa.
After the NF presidency, Mandi Obeko. Now, Marco Semaba. Now, Mamiko tennis, a crowing. Oh, yeah, there's some Macado.
About tennis and out then is check for. Or Mumma Dosso.
Oh, now there's some Abecachoa. Who represent me? Yes, I
want to cause or no chassis, my academy.
Oh, Mammo. A hianti. Mammy Fono make sure, say, quite biaso. They put them to, and I'm here for or mine Nankasa once again, my policy. Say, Omo make sure, Omo a lot of tennis courts across the nation.
What that final my check for one. Oh, my cram you know creation.
Some catch say a policy Accra, Ghana. Now Osu club. Osu tennis club. Your stadium club. So if you share Francophonie, share Samson Kwabwa, there are guys who operate within Osu area. Say dear na Pope John war high jump pit, a long jump pit, sorry, Danny Hall Lynchen. They produce a lot of high jumpers.
Yes.
Because only attack over an chow, not the plate that Tuaramu, sanity, immediately provided facilities across board. Ubenya interest, Ubenya Colombo interest, or participating in it. And the young one because baby and omono a hianity a man who decides, say, Mammy for the years that will make sure that your daughters will play tennis. Funnily for they had somebody in Martina Navratilova, 18-time Grand Slam champion, or your exceptional tennis player, or the new one she making sure say, or driving that agenda through the families. And the young one and Bameka to say, check a man they do continue unfortunately for them. Say, share time a Peter Kitova winning Wimbledon twice.
Yes.
Share Maketa Vondrousova recently. Then Krejcikova winning French Open. But I said they do very well. Karina Plaskova, one of the girls are very good, but unfortunately, I do Grand Slammer, not BBC. A co-finals always Wimbledon against Serena Williams. Since then, about Wimbledon, now Omuntiminya Debibre. But the WTA tours they do very well. So they say where Cincinnati Masters.
Yes.
So they say Cincinnati Masters. So the US Open is coming. You see, where it matters most, Omun Sheda and Nya Debibre in recent times. That's the only problem. Apart from Krejcikova winning, they've not won any Grand Slam again. No Czech lady have won Grand Slam in recent time. So they are here. So for the first time, Iga Swiatek so I do quarterfinals Cincinnati Mazonko onye bida. And also last week Oluzi, the semi-final against Jessica Pegula, I'll end up winning Toronto Masters. No? So we are a very good thing for her, a big achievement for her because getting at this Cincinnati, no Cincinnati or Baby Ankoyi, but a few way there. But to do quarterfinals, and it is because or getting used to too much clay and hard court defending US Open champion, or getting used to other clay courts are made different from the main clay court of the US Open. No, I think not getting used to, and she's still very young. Then Carlos Alcaraz, so was the last week on your shock.
Yeah.
Tommy Paul, Etrano. Now, ironically, and then how much? Only Tommy Paul and as share, you know, she's revenge 2-1, 2-1, but. Still or struggle to get a momentum of winning Wimbledon. Now when I some no and yet winning Wimbledon, this is the reason why Novak, Moni Federer, Nadal is exceptional. They are very consistent with their performance. Yes, he's young. I agree. He's young. It will take him some time. But the level we more or winning another slam, not winning another slam, no. We no or winning one. But even common ATP masters like this one, he's struggling. He was poor in Toronto against Tony Paul. And in fact, the first set he struggled. He has to struggle to win second and third set. On one side, he's still struggling with his confidence. But when we need Grand Slam, we don't struggle with confidence. You build upon it. So Juan Carlos Ferraro onye ojuma bebre o still one.
Mate, about one kick messages in a kakra and Zochina. Yeah, baby, did you come Foster Ewa Manko? I'm Captain Foster watching live from Takra. The Honjo Nenzo Fernandez, some passport and other fire emojis in a Ramu Shadrach Bodo. Nedi James is better than Trent on any day. His greatest challenge is injuries, which hasn't made him consistent over the years. I don't know guys who need my DNA trades now either fear. If you are not guys who need my deal, move from better cane. Now, Haji Lukman, Wan Bissaka is better than both James and Trent. But no one, not everyone can see it. And here they are also the Baby Ramu, Ewa Hanom, no, menu wefa, Enfiho, na Yanko, Yenimantoni, Usu Amache, na Endo is better than Lavia, and so called Caicedo. Endo is 100% good than that 115 and 58 million pounds players. Ata Prince Nedian is better than Trent. Now wait there, hey, you ready? Sembem krani. Now, maybe I mean, it's true. Chelsea signing average players make them think they are capable of being in the top 6. Keep dreaming. Top 6 mum. Nazir Ben Mohamed, I'm watching you live from Libya. Papa Samuada is saying Trent is better than James because Trent has more assists than James. And Ode loving emojis be about never be Ramo. Melis Nedian watching live from India. And Andre Enzo Fernandez once again. I'll not swear to be by Gilbert Suman Mensa and swear to be Ram Nana Brookman. Nedia Danny Storage is another example. Now, you can play as a pre-plano and about this share bar Nana Yao. I'll not swear to be a Ram Wakafu a day. Nedia, I don't agree with Mike on a bodybuilding contest. Adama is built more than him. Hey, Obiana need you. Hey, we are no, the woman no, Obiana need ye. Ada Emmanuel, great morning, Mr. Champion. I'm watching the Unbeatable Sports Show in Mamere Kwanta. Keep up doing the good work by Reverend Ade Emmanuel. Shalom. Need you to be no savage. Madrid ye. Nache say, oh, Frankie Mas, Nidiano, the Iram Ewa Hanom Mauze, Wilsono, Lukmano, Somano, watch you live from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. George Aruchim, good morning, Abu. Watching the show live from Dubai. My shout goes to Mickey for the wonderful analysis today. It should keep on going. It should keep on going to become the best in Ghana. And greetings to my family inside Kenya, Siabrim, especially my mom, wife, and case. Isaac Saga Kujo. Last in the same team. Chelsea came in more players, but still finished 12th position. And I'm also anybody I'll make out there. Minya Ewanum to the Mamma Mona member Meba. A fisem the Dawson, and to us on Famamo.
Hey, you ever buy credits where you get up to 20% of your money back before? Like I tell you about Vodafone's demo promo. See, anytime you recharge a demo, you get up to 20%, whether it be short code or your Vodafone cash wallet, or you don't use credit transfer to your number or someone else. And now you be high tech, so you don't use my Vodafone app or any payment app. However you do, Vodafone go send you up to 20% cash back into your Vodafone cash account. We reload here, but then you enter. Top up your airtime with 5 Ghana CD or more in Vodafone's demo promo. And receive 20% of your money back straight into your Vodafone cash wallet. Recharge and cash out in the Vodafone demo promotion.
Vodafone, Ghana's #1 casino game. Avieta Al-Landing or Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
That's a long ball into the penalty box right now, and number 7 receives that. He's gone past the defense. This must surely be it. Goal!
With only 50 pesos, you can win 5,000 Ghana cedis weekly in the Betway Tap in Jackpot. Diwihine. Bet responsibly, not for persons under the age of 18. This advert has been approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana.
Top tier, Amanaya Fo, a chair for a new way, Jumano, a to coin Asia de Ewamanoni, and Phoebe Bray. You bet me a wow, I'm one degree, or masters, or postgraduate, or doctorate, our US, UK, Australia, ɛne amama nso bebree yɛyɛ nkyerɛkyerɛ ma wɔn ma wɔn pɛ sɛ wɔn kyerɛ SAT IELTS ɛna TOEFL sɛ wopɛ sɛ wotu kwan kɔsua adeɛ ɛwɔ amano no deɛ a ɛmpa top tier ho Kumase yɛwɔ Amakom Bank of Africa nkyɛn mu hɔ frɛ 0260 411 847 and I say +1 646 659 5045. Accra, your Medina, Rolling Circle, Yeni CC Hagen Plaza Building, no, and a Bonrenimu, Medina Polyclinic, your number, 020 3592 008. Takrade, your NK City, Fire Service, and Chenghua. If you Kwanta Road, no so, you're bang Fijai School Park. Your number, 059 800 7852. Just study abroad with us. Top tier, we give you wings to study abroad. Top tier, our clients, our priority.
Bra na minya Royal Foam mattress no. How bebre na me komu. Medam panosweni na atom. Na me chika seso na me honam nyina ya me ya. Na de kume kra ne se. Ya no mo so beda aso ape. Na wagya me. Na minya Royal Foam mattress no. Pa kwesi da aso ape. E na oye me ho ade. Congratulations dear, me fa no kwa. Asedan koma Royal Foam. Quality mattress papa fi. Oji aware Royal Foam. What manani relaxation aye de. Awoto so a wunya wo mu ne se. Royal Foam mattress eye papa. Eche yie eye quilted mattress inti. Woda so a ama wona ye foam. Se woto mattress free Royal Foam a. Teche wo free pillows. Royal Foam aje abasobode e wo 12 Ghana Business and Financial Excellence Awards. Yet on quality duvets, curtains, beds, ne carpentry foams ahodo nyina bi. Hwehwɛ yɛn wɔ Royal Foam showrooms any sales depots a ɛwɔ Ghana fa na nyinaa. Frɛ 020 227 1000. Royal Foam, rest assured.
Ghana for Yareda Akradia for Fry, your friend of Big Four. Free game pack games, no Eddie. Where ya Akradia, net tuning it yet nyadin cry. The number Ahodwa and 930 kosi 9. Impressa de Biara, Nabekayan Kunum Difuane. Go back to me at to Abelfon Kratwabia. www.gamepackgames.com. Anna Ubabo star 946 hash. Our phone so now would ya man Akradia Ajumeko NL. Apene game pack games Akradia is. Wouldn't fear do what ya. Won't mean to Akradia. From Nyansa to Akradia. Big Four from Game Pack Games. More mula, more power.
Alright, Bobo de na yetimi anto aso yetimi afama na sero nim na krade a aba foforo kra nkofo abomo de eguso omo twa omo adwen bo a e mo musika na ye Game Pack Limited omo de aba bira na munkomodie na de ni na ze de numbers no aba from 0 to 9 obo de no predict say mu nan a e bebo no nie enti mu nhihye ne ne mewom no omo also no e ya de wo shop na omo so omo e wo street no ne say one predict say numbers 4 na e bebo no e 1 2 3 4 na wa cheze no ebebo street na ne akwa akobo usika na ebibiri na obaku bi so a obetimi apredict so mu se number 3 ebe pm yensa na afi number baku bi so no aba be so no so oboma usika na ebibiri ti won komo no e simple do kra phone na tablet a call Play Store kwa wabomodin a Game Pack Games app no wakwa twe no ho na ne ma dadie da ma no mo site no www.gamepackgames.com www.gamepackgames.com where man na ma kwede ama network bi a use bi a no obetimi afa we no so simple obeda star 946 hash star 946 hash where mu urama abo se didi so sa na wabomode a che wadwe na abo ama na ma koye pa e di ama omo ebo mode ama wenye ska bibrinti no omo draw no omo timi twe ne mpre ne sandako na di kan omo twi ne 9 o'clock am e wo live Adum TV de toss me no e 12 pm and also e live na afa nwumre no e 6 pm ti no da mu miensa no uti ya utimi bo modern ji anopa de bi ji awia de no wagya nwumre de no waka bo me iska bebre enela jo mo tumti dwuma de no mo di no komsi komsa bi anim eboa na ne ma dadi nso etimi e de amamaka ze wo so do huram na Vodafone no mo dwuma de a this storm mo di no ano e den dodo ne na se Vodafone car special bundle no emu aye de pa nhihye pa Vodafone for de aba beboaze na mo se ne omo boa na ya ma minute dodo na odi aye call to the answer da star 110 hash star 110 hash and akọ ko my Vodafone app no so a obamode no wetimi ato 5 Ghana cedi no ye amount 200 minutes a obamode na wetimi any network bia no etimi di nkoma na afa asaboa e data akra atato area ma Vodafone further together na nhyehyɛ no akoye kama pan so no etimi e di amama no fiwa ene yemfie ninko kucho 52 Estate Construction Limited o maso ye makazo of ana net Ghana diskana ba wagina wadi na ni nyina zo of ball form na hu ni sisi a enti no so wa amano ne na opefie ato ana opeso usibi ana mpo pasase ato a e okumase ne nkran a 52 Estate Construction Limited also ni omudin so 15 good years ni omubo adwuma no munya ha obi a omedwuma no te na afi so kra no so ro mesi adi wani ma ye adwuma na ma no e fe kwa companies outdoor na e bi ze mo amope bebi abie filling station ni nyina no mo ni omudin komon beboa apa asase ni bi etimera ma this around the omo ye kra ne say Obaba beto asase no ze ye full plot and a half na ye bo mode ebo asase na suma ye bo na su no ye ma 20 bags of cement seje na fa hye bibia asese de bebe bo na adwuma no etimi a content dan no wasi opeso ton ana wasase opeso ton a contact omo ne omo nkasa na fifie na ye dada o renovate no omo form beba ba be after no ne age de aka no etimi asoso de ama 52 Estate Construction Limited omo nko a ene be di se adwuma no etimi ra ma opozo hu omo nsem bibra 52estate.com on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, baby. Omo bo ejuma crap omo a Kesema Junction, Game Park Chimota Road no, omo Kovme Plaza, Orwani Chimo Kumasi a page 4 and to akwan no so no, ubenyo omo number ni 0556 723 338 0556 723 338 na 0531 525-797 0531-525-797 Angel Sunembwa Yana Mankuye Fama Trinity of Arc Limited Company Omaba Ama Manone Kone simple cra Tichu Eye ne no ye health workers no o ye doctor o ye midwife o ye nurse o ye lab technician Trinity of Arc Omonhye ye du Ramo Canada se ye kwa ye boa etimi age permitted ya mawa after ze wabo 2 years na wi no usan cra di 2 years san boa etimi ema residential permit boa manema ededa ye kama pretimi edema na almost nurses no mo kwa di kan no yere mu kokoshe bi ma mu kokusua ade adesua nim no usua ni nyina yo clinicals no no twi bia ye wo ske di ram netimi edema ntiti ni ye o ye nurse ni ama na mbo toko na kokuram Canada UK Trinity of Arc edoko akwa kuram o peso usua ade wa amono ne Canada America North South Europe na bebi no so no mo footballers no ye boa negi sports visa etimi edema ma ni ji semesa wo ni se o won sa no dwuma de credit ze de amoku abonka tokwa no wakoni dim o dem da Romania ele ye robeko ndakwa ku ye djuma mpo unisa no djuma omoso omabo ade hihye na guna kwama eni mota bi nso obebi a ye robeko na factory work no wakwa ku bi na ne ma dadi mpa ere ama Ghana setena fono person tena bi ze Canada US UK ana Shingi State na for na ma no eni omo eni nkomo 0531 644 217 0531 644 217 and 0531 633 556 0531 633 556 now 0205 572-076 0205 572-076 so for moi adwa to masala chikumasi ano omo bena brepo junction kaso an nkran ne kaso New Market Road no Fidelity Bank abanso no na cheso omo ewo mo adwuma omo bono e yade ano na edin ye papa makaze weekend ye bedi on Betway na www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh udu baby a one say sticker bi bo atwe so top up akọ na kwa Betway top up no no mo akere bebre ene nhihye bebre timi e dem this time round no yes ye nyu su the Betway golden code promo no emfa ntwa bet no nti weekend bi a okom site wa abonzo mabomodin aye baby bi golden booking code ko okọ abonzo mo yima chese na to wa bomodin discount to echi udi a e sika bebre nchi mu ni cheze utwa ne 10 Ghana cedi ram 40 Ghana mba yesandu sika no etimi e dem a ntimi pa cho ramu na na kokko ne sa na mboa mana manko 10 Ghana cedi ram 40 Ghana utwa no ho na mba sika no sanya na mom no opeso twa bro sa obetimi twa bro sa ne no na fa wanya sika bebre amfa so dia na chese si wo ho a omabomode and terms and conditions no yetimi edi rambo amane makoyie pa etimi ere mom na sero nim no e ba ne gaming commission organa omajoma tumtu wanya mfiedu nwotwe ere kwa rim afa ho hye mnembo na ne mandeda di prem fama tetem so no yentinsim na nsem no yembobo so kakra etimi afama dia ne na ne mandeda dia division 1 super cup no ejepene na ram na super league ni mu nkomo no e koso Dr. Kwame Chi Sports Complex na ne owe group no said the matches no ebc erama na chese Lions Omon Nations FC and a bit me near the Abuenia. So I game no 1 p.m. after no not Techima 11 1 so a John Manaso etimi abo Koforidia sympathy and also 4 p.m. Ejipina Erona Bomanema Dayepa etimi Aramanti Grubino so no Nyambo Chene no so betimi akoswa before Aquatano Ebobo Sky FC and 1 p.m. after no Young Apostles and in Zema Kotoko Edi Abueni na tutuena kuye etimi Ramona how to folk ebo friendly gamer na jezenzu gamer na no edin papa beke ameba eba be didi onkomo etimi edi chewa nema deda dimpo mo ejo mo na so ani omo echi tima ye from Miracle Land SC ebo mekano maku dubako emo mutimu bako ana no edin ye papa na ano edin panti no da patesi enyago ni bi sedusu age nya bi Linda Ntege enya bi na afi no Kashala Ramos ono so ebo mode netimi enya bi Martin Kakei enyago ni bi Amza Iza enya bi na Michelle Sapon so no edibi Eramu na ne Kevin Osea sibi nya red card o game ni na so no omomode mo da na di na bibia ekoyi kama pan so etimi da mo na no so no era mo ebo mode a coach e friend Cobman na ne waba aba be ramu team na so ye no ye ni ne che playing bad ni ze coach na ba oni omo na eba be yejuma ono na emo head coach already aba be didi the technical director no commentinua era omo mode yi ni PS ono na aba oba na waba be boana tutuye no akoyi kama so etimi edi amom ntie no ye hat to focus komo ene sere nchihye no esi etie na medi eremede ama krobia me ramona me din komo na mum Saturday na niama didadiam na cheze me pacho enemum no media ma bebo modern na 2 p.m. yet me mo press conference no etimi eramu na nkomo mo kwa kodidi no na sere tie ho etimi ede ma no ene sere nhihye no na nesi etie na di eram no tumuze bibia didadi pa na High Sense Ghana Limited Bars presentation no eguso a ekoso a media ma omaso omohwe na omaye na bibia adadiera mom na eramu sa no ewoze nyina koko support o mo Sunday na yentie wemra after no na mabana nkomo ewechi no ato aso etimi ede amam
Takwa adishe Ogwamba Wanye ready Nemediama Wajina kuno Weside yaro Mediama Wajina Ghana nani Agaiwa Africa Mediama versus Romo Stars of Nigeria. The Total Energies CAF Champions League is on. Happening on Sunday, 20th September. Capital Stadium, 3 p.m. sharp. Everywhere we go, Benjawo, Mediama Roco Africa. What's the team with Capital Stadium? Mediama, when you Romo Stars of Nigeria. What is see you consider yara? 3 o'clock sharp. With Capital Stadium, Hobo Huru Papa. Mediama players need determined there. But so Ghana Nenyi. Akayeni support to. Nariya, there's a Jama. There is some more prestige of four. Yes, I want to talk with you more tardy as I can't tell what kept going Santa. Ankobia, and you've been carried at you. Send over your history. You want first match. Get fee. VIP 50 Ghana City. Yes, Ikafu. Or you see the 20. Consider what kept Costa. Mediama versus Remo Stars of free Nigeria. Hi, Obo Wurama. Remo, you became a new players. No one is showing. Mediama. What's Uja?
No, game on Sunday, also Ghana, you know, Cabo Mniako, Coco support to media, so you know, 20 Ghana cities and half VIP near 50 Ghana, the Aussie Koshe, Keku Sports City, Mapa, na Didino, Irama, na Remo Stars, Nigeria for the any more. Eti echo mo ne bromo ana afia san akwakuyi mo na yeze Black Stars de ni bi na abo na bibia at the Dream Self season akwakudu Conakry e wo Guinea omo so hwe bibia de omo ne Milo ene de ebebo ani ntia no ye the CAF Confederation Cup ye rentu join ye na hwe awuzampa omo bo mo de transit Ramolome Togo after ono no mo de omo ni chiemu Guinea ebo ama ne makwe omo ntade no hwe ne fe ne city a e just already niama fa ya renia wi a ye kwe anima ne ma dadin pet meleti no ze Milo de omo nheda nkaja ya brena yetimi ayo mo adwuma na ne ma deda din pa na bibi yetimi akọ kama pa makansa afi no Confederations Cup na Champions League ne ze media ma ze we na team no beba na ye de ne to nche na group no mama ye la limusa no ene Zamalek mo na kwasi don suma ayo mo adwuma ona abunze okoto player $5 million de ba e de no ye ni low ni ahye ne high etmeje free for crowd omo baba be yi adwuma no di Ghana de eze ye ni abrepa oze ye hwe na ya we ni bia na eboa na ne ma deda din pa etimi ede emana wenchiman cup no so no ebeba so na sere ke Victory Warriors eni Diana ene de boni on the 3rd September na me catch us amrado ebeba ba bi ginam na enti wembra
What's up when Chimana mo said in 3rd September meba live in Timebe so be aba when Chi Sports Stadium Warriors near Diana. Bra Chuma si win yesiama obi Anthony take it for a 10 Ghana. What's up I'm riding near me rapper live when Chi Sports Stadium. Can't wait to see you guys. I'm going to give you a massive performance. I love you guys. Can't wait to see you 3rd September Sunday Warriors versus Diana. Meba live up for me younger me da say Amrado Bena.
No. Amrado Bena na enya de keto akra. Tesa de mo anjivo mo tweba. Na yababa bi jam na aboa na ne makoye tie Victory Warriors na ne omo entoto no na ram kama pre timi ede amana hyehyɛ no etimi akoso na yekɔ na yenidi di nkomo nra na yehu se eni Young Apostles omo founder ono na owner Sheles Papa Owura Domfe edidi di nkomo na ona tournament ya ye ba bebo ewo Division 1 Super Cup no paper na nkomo awadi era faculty ezokrakuni
Paya de our say, ye intra president actually say, ball the Division 1, every baby, no number come back as summer, then fire and come home. Now, since the penny way banner, the bio baby and president or the year a come home. Then one is saying, young many, you understand the same. Since I say, no, or by Yadi Fefa or your Maya. Sabio yenim koyo fasua onyam poboa na wade ame enu nko ampo no ya de kase because in poboa ye bra hu yenim ba bi akoyo fasua boss e basa ye best start anya boss first net ba na ko bi training as kra na boss aye there awe ho umpe we na apede ora sanji fuel sana fa bu kamu na fara tukwane ana mi kasa ade beche nanu ya hweska sabio wa kukura sande ama Division 1 for mi anya dan the sani power no die ne esa utare no beifu bani na ni nso ade ni pa ya ade
Dianoya command Owura Domfe found the man Young Apostle Sheles Papa apomode timira to jam den common nyina bibia the parties before bana na ni so ade the Sheles Papa no namra ezo Kings TV so tweben eni Kings also bonsu logical ene no kokodidi di nkomo na nkomo no ni bizanze na afi tete ze wa switch campa afia ababe rama ni the current TV president on na eni di kasubom na ochechi mu ni di nkomo so no 72 dwa.
Difficult to say, cat. Because of you, baby, and it's me, baby.
Yeah.
He brought in his policies and Ghanaians bought into it and voted massively for him.
Yeah.
Ideas mean I ask you, say they implementing Ayajuma. So if I stand here to tell you, say, the Bajuma Koswa, it will be difficult for me to tell you, say, it needs a cat, trust. So cat, it needs a trust, and you need to enter some trust.
Okay.
So on the nature, my answer should be a fair judgment of what exactly I want to tell you.
Eltiano ya no ya bomo de timere tuja say chezo cousin ne every president no na djuma obono nso ani eyes on no can be no esco member ti komo bomo de timere di no ya can set top tier stadium abroad console me kwaba na krobia na kalu akasa kalu na mebana mababe di unkomo na ayeya na mom top tier stadium abroad console dia kan zenne wawie high school na opeso to aso amano ne omo na beboa etimire wakomo komo di de man ye dance o greece ne ya ye boa kraje scholarship etimire ma so nimbo o san nimrika kwa ne de simple kranye no nko omo zenne ne obeze bachelor's degree na akwa masters no postgraduate diploma certificate no and afi su doctorate degree programs no US Canada baby this UK Austria na afi New Zealand ye rena ndetimi Edward na sat ne boa ma high school for na graduate no motwe etwa ne kama pama to tie no ekuyere ba na afi IELTS no any to fall no so no ye boa ma nurses no graduate na undergraduate student no motwe etwa ne ma de dimpa etimi edi ma no no omo staff no omo abase wa ma no ne ache entu ko adaptation enye dem fama no nyina ene ze oba fa ne ma bi ma me kondo fufu medi mo ne anwane ade dabi ne nyina no bonze de demu after ne asan page mapa ama waye etimi edi aka wa ma bibia ade de de amount mo amon kran no mon ko Madina Royal Circle CCA Gan Plaza or Madina Polyclinic no kran number no is 0203 592-008 0203-592-008 na Kumasi Amakum traffic light no mo ben Bank of Africa +1 646 659-5045 +1 646 659-5045 and a 0260-411-847 0260-411-847 takrade opo mo na chese omo eben NK City Fire Service afian kwanta kwan no omo ben Fija School Park no 0598-007-852 0598-007-852 niamwa na na manko yemfa ma bafu polo makanse ne ye Friday pe oboba fudi ana oyema to say from nina ene so mo na abomodin ay African print no design se mako 20 no mo dia anti Fridays no e wo se no ana no tata mu na obomodin de nanti zanze efe yi ne bo no so no e wo form na ne se nete ye wo African print polo shirt, African print golf shirt, African print round neck shirt, African print v-neck shirt. Any ne boutique for na shall see to turn to boutique no one kon kutu bi awa kichi na ho so a wabo no kakra we nya no fakọ bafo be ma ne mani bi na so waton etimi agiska wabo modi an nhihye a wa ye ne se your package no your gold package a 20 shirt or box mu silver package 15 shirt or box mu na bronze package no 10 the open no o communicate to na gold ni de or the brewa o deliver the amount e Ghana bibia anya de se obi twa sika bia etimiera account organizations out on the competitive bankers no ene Friday we no function in schools no teachers association and so in African clubs no also one tema craba design no obrena wabomodi aye dia man konam te ze no so no yetimi atonkra obobia no ma kiski ana kanchima abobi no de wechi sa obi hu hu zampa akwa tetwiaka na offer number na nationwide delivery baby obia obo na setimi aka 0249 600-789 0249 600-789 0599 899-919 0599-899-919 apena yema kokobin oruwa ni achimo santasi obwa so kwano so no obwa nanema de dimpa etimi edia mama kase Roxy Travels omonso aba nyaba be rama juma di omobo no ano edin tu bezo tu kwan kokko yi juma kokko sua de kokobobo e kokko tena ma no ne ma wani jepa e Roxy Travels omo na be na yetimi aboa na yede warom yesi US no kwakọ yi juma no omobo edo koje work permit etimi ede ma hona no san nkofo ko momko kochade wo US na Canada no eno UK no nyeboa de health workers no ko so no your factory job eni wo na netimi akwa baby this Australia here drivers and afi cleaners out one na also no your security job e wo no ma beko etimi akwa wo Bahamas na Bahamas no yezi na Ben Florida enti no okwa utimi bo modern kokko yi adwuma na kakra na de ramu e wo US akwa kuromo no your nkofo ani no eba na se enro cars omonso na factory job ni nyina no ewo New Zealand Schengen visa ye je de man for say Germany, France, Holland, Italy and Afri Poland de aka no na taking so no ye give visa man ko ma factory job no okukutwa Israel so no ena akonya do so no obobo adwuma na krobiti say Albania ye pe nkofo amomako nyakwa akohwe nkwada ze maame ni papa mu ye busy nti no oye oba na urumu Albania na wabomodi ahwechi mu akra na duane dikun obefa so akọ school ne ntotoye no na aboa ma nema dadi na factory workers no so no amozi omuhia bi wo se bia ne hanga ine so no o chade o metimi asand wewremo na nema dadi na akwanya so aba e wo Kazakhstan so no ye betimi de nkofo ewura na bebi tize Dubai, Qatar, Kuwait na ye footballer na peso bobo UK Roxy Travels na also hwe na odi obo edi kobo ne link to agency bia eno obenya kwen ram academy ho akwa bo ejuma baby ti say China, Canada, Belarus and afi baby say US no ye sign boage scholarship mako ekokoto addition no ti Roxy for nko a ene bitimi ayere ameba ne take it booking no and a reservation no mbo modern ye e de man na private jet rentals ni na no omo no so omo ebo ejuma birth certificate no ene passport no ni bi omre na ye assist no wa ye fa omo number no na ni omo ni nkomo 025 777 6730 025 777 6730 na 055 7607 375 055 7607 375 any Kumasi number up on Kumasi Asafu VIP station Gori on touch building no be no Accra Kaswa CPO City Methodist Church Accra number no 024 4613 237 0244613 237 wa bomodene Roxy edidi din komana ne ma dadie da ma no akrobia omo training no ne sign to aso na no Eden papa no new sign no eye Kalu Watara na obo edwuma de mabrekum Chelsea no aba be ramo etimiera ma no sign area ma korokono ne sign no komose na Kalu ebo modie di jai
club no the let me can say like
some passports
a big clubs so the nyama no kono the be like upeti maboa kotoko baada na through second say namu that from last season we say we share big clubs kotoko no we ro kakra bit me change your life nina we say na my first time Ghana Premier League last season tina me say the nyama na dem amano koso da me ma o nyama bebre ma o big class difference ki ma
Ati ano ye command na won say Kalu waba odi eramebwa manema koye pa na say me ke high sense ene era mo bon modern na media ma basa mo de mo mo hwe na ya present it mirama team no nti etutoma matize mo sisa mapaka ene mo spark aw no ye president de ma media ma shasi din command etuma mama ya kona bia kwa kutie kakra na ya hwesere niema isiete ani we ya na ya nwusere nhihye ne siteti edama ma ka mo yankwa na yenya ntobase yankwa ne yankonkutie kakra. Alright, yeah, na etutuma yetimi akoba. Migi oze group na ne yamma no kotum na mpem da kwa is Nigeria for na manti. Ya sa gunu sa be draw no for.
Yeah, now was anka tournament ne start and nanke koremu ochina. O match asensen. Enti sisi tournament ne be start kwesiada. Na groups ne so mo yensesan e kakra wom. Ampem da kwa group na emiensa. AS Garde du Nationale from Niger. Ana Ami Dumont from Togo. See no Niger for na twa mo ho afrim. Nti abeka Ami Dumont ana ampem da kwa. So ampeso omo collapse groups ni na no mo ye draw ne for se ne be ya group A benya 3 teams, group B so benya 3 teams na ye even. Enya sa pe ebema group B na just 2 teams and group A benya 4 teams, which might not be fair to teams no more group A and T. Sana ehye na be so ampem da kwa if omo prepare so omo ka share team we are back way frame. Now they will need to readjust almost strategy in how on training. Yeah, that's the challenge. But draw no almost share 10 a.m. Until me share if the results come, draw results outcome the bar, then we confirm as well.
Mati, me da se pa ne di odeba. Bio. Ye robu kakra na me hwe achize tutuma me kona makuti mo spark kakra.
Fantastic.
We say me dear man Dream FC. Africa no mo na ekobo ati edi. Ti ye hwe. Omo be ye.
Me meda wase pi na senior politics na wo me de ochna. And I'm about to do home come because Georgia Free is submitting the funds, no. Or can be I would want to relate it to the two. Or say some more we football, and say you say a best son. Then there's no need to be contested. Matiziko, Matthew Radomfe. They are from 2 different spectrums. Back here from Division 1, back here from Premier. Even though I'm in every bono. But look, Semekofazi Damo the end of the Kakahua. And enough football for one Ankasa no Monkas or Mopensis. The referee used to say he would only contest when football for one say Mopensis. Until one more pensis and Gruza Moana. We'd come back to that. It's a good thing for Kalu Watara. Ono share kotoko brekum.
Yeah. Yo, mami ti presidombra. Why?
With your presence, in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit, we dedicate this verse. Amen. Finally. Okay, Chief. MC. If he share the ability to say, I couldn't say, you know, to the coach, maybe
my phone to me, my book. Let me out of high sense for us. Oh, yes. High sense. I'm home on the taco celebrity. And I don't know. The fans want to be a high sense I had here. High sense I had here. Basi, the brand, you know, Charlie, the car brand itself, Charlie, the amount involved. Now, say you watch shower. Now you say high sense. I say medium sporting car building to Korea. Not just say yes. Oh my idea.
Papa. Eti medium sporting club and they new bars, you know, and Yandanity, Eriatre, Chakomai, and of course still. That is it. That was your fault.
The corner ya the media man high sense for bars presentation costume say about 3 to 4 na do na be ram na ya won be obna wa no gu asem so
nti the mirror am say no na cheba be ka ho asem again in 2 clubs na Africa no ye ta won chi anopa me ne aminu shadom bia kama ye modern morning so any name is good we participate. I'm hoping say ye koi and your my best Sompa Sports. Ye more than one kasa de enso ani obi anim. Nti say china media man dreams ne akobo na say anyi ya. Remember na Ghana football say there be enya de. Ena enye de bi nsi dani. FH president team qualify for Champions League. Ali Tripoli be show mo anyhow. Nti ne say dreams kono ye on free ma. Look, I'm so indifferent. Nemum. Ye magini for ni hu say ene no nsia ebompre no de edi kan no e ma ye sorry ne etoso mienu no e ma ye koda ene e na ye koda na china bi eye danya no nsia besan bo a Ghana football at the club level no e be sorry it may not be today but that I see Ghanaian clubs there e shame in crime pa e ma mi enije and I wish them the very best in this journey send your mokoye and intimi koye especially Mediama that I have a close affinity to me Piatro. And then Karim Zito, so I am Papa Precope. No need delegation name. Or more airport news, Gigi Joe Moquine on your Mocasa or Nina, any won't be. Many dreams players didn't come up. Many back on a never table the other time. Boncomoa. Look, Omonyomo. Omonshomo when Munyam. No mon champagne for Muma. A red team no so any Munyam. Don't put any pressure on these players. Go and enjoy the sports. I'm Judy says, Omoyen, sir. I boy in and you're my TV. The Ghana football at the club level is a Sompa Sports. Nemo be cry my casa for Chairman because we know to choir Adani. So ni more and then make control. Ghana, yeah, the first country I did 2 clubs above final in a CAF club competition. On this continent, yeah. Sompa Sports. So 2 clubs, no. Almost I qualify. Echo board Champions League. 2 clubs. Kotokodeas. And look, here now has any Kotoko final. No? Some guys at Liberty they can find out well, so they're involved. Yes. Look, and yeah, the football. You drew order. Fine guys. You pay that pa, and then you have bonko granted no more car. You have fine guys. They are not Djibouti for. I'm on the EP goes. So what I say? Akrabo say is Djibouti team. So we the EP goes. You know, but I don't put any pressure on them. Send a be on bebo. Bibia be kama. Yes, sir. If you man Kasim, a Jumako, Mando, Onyazi, Babisi, Cromantin, Ejafuna, Mori, Yamransa, Enkwa, Pedu, Bebia, Peusika. Look, Ubiam Ranometa Media Metro Stadium. Some most bodging going to be a time, no, Messadia Momo, Mosa and Sisubakumami.
Wamba, when you're ready, let me jam. Would you not know? Consider Yaro. Me Diama. We're Ghana Nani. It's a game of Africa. Diama versus Roman Stars of Nigeria. The Total Energies CAF Champions League is on. Happening on Sunday, 20 September. Capital Stadium, 3 p.m. sharp. Everywhere we go. Benja Uho. Diama Ruko Africa. What's the team with Capital Stadium? Diama. When you Roman Stars of Nigeria. What is see you consider Yara? 3 o'clock sharp. With Capital Stadium. Hey, Hobo Huru Papa. Diama players need determined there. But so Ghana Nenyi. Akayani support to. Nariya. There's a Jama. And there is some more prestige for. Yes, I want to talk with Chumwatadi as I can tell what Capital Santa. Consider ya. Ankobia. And you've been carried at you. Send over your history. You want first match. Get fee. VIP 50 Ghana C. Yes, Ikafu. Oh, you see the 20. Consider what Cape Costa. Midjama versus Remo Stars of free Nigeria. Hi, Obo Wurama. Bravo, Midjama new players. No one is show. Midjama. What's Uja?
All right, you ever caught na support na ba? We'll see a corner coco support. About the Bramuka Crena. Yenye ya nanka. Migi.
Kaludia. Mr. Opi. Munum se Kotoko Fonza wom kakra.
Mentiasi.
Kalu, he was destined to play for Kotoko.
Time now no about Chelsea.
Devi. Oshabon Munia. Kalu Nipa or man Bob. Division 2 or Ghana. Oya Kotoko circles. Chairman. Supporters, chairman.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Sekwa. I'm sorry, in soccer.
Sompa Sports.
Wow. No, look. Ni play a film. A free ho ako Chelsea. I will go to there. But we are sure say baby a justice ni omo no mo yen so command no was esi ano. Eni gia a show makoma mu no. E chen bibia. Titini say na net. Minim fia we di ba ya biza papa say ana ni ko bo free tamale ba akotoko no. Say no mo yen no okroma. A bit me afa, baby I am fa. But Kalu was skill set. Kalu was Ghana card.
I don't know I can say Ghana
Sports.
Biggie, you kakra.
I went to draw no saying is here. Group A Delta Queens, Omo Nigeria. Omo no the seeded team per rankings no. Ana Usfa from Burkina Faso. Omo so ewo Group A. Ana Sam Nelly. Ewo Benin Republic, almost Ewo Group A. Group B, no, Ampem Dakwana the top seeded side, and Ami Dumont and so ho. Into the Wako Common Atletico FC from Ivory Coast. Previously, no Group A. Into this time around, Ebe Ampem Dakwa, Ami Dumont, and Atletico FC. And they say na groups no here tournament no as it stands now per their mate no you move it across Sunday into your mom pie and fama and pem da kwane or more participating in the competition. My main confirm say mediama match day squad naba na obia me o me wo boase yetete me wo boase and I'm proud enough to say former Obuasi sector captain Onukroya Obuasi district captain under 12 under 14 under 17 Kamaradini Mamudu. He's part of the squad.
Oh, okay.
And the media support no mubenyo chinano. They should be rest assured that there will be a contingent from Obuasi almost obeko keep.
Okay.
Akwa support yomo. And then omo moment mi anko krana so the omo paibo beta yomechi. Game no tough. Remo Stars in media man watch na ba. Remo Stars is similar to media man. How I take club ne baby almost start here. But omo modiani ye omo uska. Esi media man. Because Nigeria honey dear. It has to be at the four Nigeria.
Otamala.
It's a Ghana bear at the four bear me and San Nine be a music album because Nigeria economy no. Do pa. So the richest man in Nigeria, perhaps bear 10 richest men in Ghana. Bro.
No. Not true. The richest man in Nigeria will be more than 100 combined in Ghana. It's true. Yes, I don't know. Listen, the richest man in Nigeria. Okay, I said, so Beto as $1 billion.
Yeah.
Listen, don't joke. Or cement factories on the African continent. Almost every kind of you are. Dangote.
So yeah, Remo Stars, you know, they are well equipped, well resourced, but
of course.
it needs certain other elements to come to play. In Tenebia Media Mabebon Pint, watching about will delve deeper into the game. The biggest concern here, the absence of Nuruddin Abdullah.
That's a big one. That's a big one.
He was Media's solid defender for last season. Say Atenga Bobo Nekoya, it was because he had a partner who seamlessly not Atenga say into baby Atenga ne Sinto, he was always there to cover. So also Sinto Ba, also there to cover. And almost your boss center backs are I am a parent no. You bet me center back so but mostly the only born in the type and the Costro. So if there will be a John Terry, there needs to be a Carvalho. In the same vein, for Midiama, I think this will be a big blow. But how do they cope? The coach need to work things out. In Church now, but we need to look at it. But a campaign is starting, and I am championing or I am endorsing this campaign. We need a data-driven and a scientific Ghanaian football industry beginning next season. What's the dreams of a Nations FCIS signings? Yeah. Or the posters about players or more they buy ni no. This a work of free obi. Na ni panema send your player ni city and sana wait me about better haka. There is no better data. No, somebody's words describing a player is not the best description. Exactly. Oh, so you are likely to lie or not tell the truth about a player based on the obi catcher. And we can't run the football industry like this. Yes, sir. Players nankasa values no yeteso because you're a player. So I am endorsing this campaign at a better time. We need a data-driven and a scientific football industry.
Game-changing agenda. It was part of it. Data and science was part of the key agenda for game changing. So
game changer.
Yes, what has happened? I mean, Mamika's Hasbrook have done well. So far, Musha, the technical team, assembled so far. Martin Koopman, finally, head coach Abba, Rena Hendrick, technical director. So, currently, if you look at the Hasbrook team, technically, they have the best technical team on paper in the country.
On paper?
Yes, on paper. Because the rest have not really proven anything anyway. So on paper they have more paper. So as a technical team, they're the best in the league on paper. Now, up to them to prove this because there's a lot of investment into the technical director and head coach. So, but our background as Dutch people speaks volume of what we are capable of seeing. So, they're more the needed materials. Coaches, some magicians, some materials to work with. So I hope that Togbianka Sasuni supporters Benya Buton, the team no Sebio, League no Korean and Kui. It's going to take them time. So they should be ready. Say Ombenya 4-0 be lost, 3-0, 2-1. Ombenya wins. Kaka till team Legina. More beyond far experience because Brofum, you know, Babu Munti. Ask the league. They should not. But Ebiana Ekoso Sano, Ebiana, the teams now can as well. Ebiana Mafongaji, but the objective really is to put together a team from next summer chassis who say Nema Ekui. So that is unfortunate. Some of the players are my coaching. Something that I hate. Sompa Sports. Why am I top players? No, is that the kind of players I coach no Robertona? But it's also had to do with timing. Precision. So why am I open me coach? You don't name says but didn't you know when we are going to start our league before you took those decisions? So yeah, I know sabi sorry there be you money didn't come up in a fire summa not be any opinion taking decisions. But if you are running football, you don't football season here, but PBI a players to break and maybe number starting prison. You know, so take a decision. It should be informed to the extent that a bedu samre not PBI to me. But I take a decision by heart any time. Forgetting say a many day juma. Now here you are my top players, I'm a coach. Or by AB Abakum, you know. You want him to work with that. Maybe our 90% he doesn't want to work with those players. You create problem for the coach. Nema and Koya, you were blaming the coach, but coach, no, in actual effect, on top players. Or recommend this some top way, man. So it's unfortunate, but the most important Papa Bedru. Send me my bomb with Chabo Duanachi. I do an champion. Omnia Chen has my own reservations, but I know league no share see whether those decisions are spot on decisions and as properly sporting decisions are as a clubs not taking. Then on Africa, the truth of the matter is that we are going we have two clubs. Yeah, we are coming to shame, you know. The FA Cup League, we need they are going to participate. And say support you. Mediama, the flagship CAF Champions League. They have to do their best. Irrespective of whatever it is, they have to do their best. At least this game, some winning the game. They have to. Yes, it's difficult, but Nigerian teams really, Senye and Yimba, Nigerian teams really don't match up to us when it comes to this competition. So there's and at I see, Ebian in Crawford Reef, listen. Sebi any ebe gu ye ni ma se ebe du. Africa, African, club competition. Yen yi uyi engle better. Boy kotoko. So Sebi ye ne agu ye ni ma se abe se yan boy ebre yi. We've been there elite from day one. Competition started 64, 67 kotoko was in the first final. So she some remember she be do ye. Na ene baby be do. So I bet take a decades and no cry Juma din yes answer. Because how they do you? We'll be able to get a group stage quarter final some years. But say bedroom some papers not going to do here.
Oh, co-final no
67, 69, 7 final, 70 final, 71 finals. No. Yeah. Because you see, I journey jai. You be bang kakra and no cry Juma din over a period of time. More than a decade.
Anti-Nigerian they men cry.
No. Because all my major look at what Sundowns is doing. Even the injection of quality players from Belgium League. Look at what Ali is doing.
Also, no, but
that is the truth.
Your money and the say Harley will be 5 billion.
Yes.
Dollars.
We send a shout.
And they never bought CAF Champions League.
The point is that till we are so I saw do no question on that amount. Say baby, me woni na ejuma wo say me ni. O try and torture while like Ghana they be 4 Africa champ, 4 Africa Cameroon G back when 182. Cameroon be G was back 84. And at your 4 Africa champ Cameroon be G ajay. Do you know what I'm saying? Ha. Esie di no question say emre we ni onemu yesie ye dwumadin and amo esie to we might get reasonably closer. Getting there it will be difficult for us to get there. Pesita on say our eyes open.
Yeah.
Alal is open.
Yes.
They are quoting 7 million. That's the player they want to hold on to.
7 million.
So the point is that you can't compete with them, but you will do your best. But Media Mother, I think that our more ultimate skill is their next opponent will definitely be Horea Club of Guinea. Almost consistent in. So at least Uskeli we cannot call the next stage. It's possible football will be beating me. So you might never know. Media Mother sound as well before. So near here say Yema Media Mother need their support. Yema Dreams need their support. For the Dreams go away first. Why about second leg wa animal. I know Karim Sito very well. Omo enjoy mo. They should go enjoy them. Some board ni omunim. Ni enhwe ni be fi ma ba ben yen fa pressure bia nto bia so.
Abozo mate, ma me fa ma fair for ni bi na me hwe na. Men call 05549 319 3105489 319 Odi ani baby Alfrevi. Yes sir.
Le mo kiano pa you.
Mejo zo.
Ala premier mo ba zo pa na ka ti ko pa cha bo tuma. Na me go to the person ya for the Christmas to pa Managerial. Na le ajoda po e yen tere go so mi Managerial. Na kono go de se le mo yo do. Ti be go to mo cha da ni se ti sa for le je. Mi na cha mu le yen tere de be ya. To the commercial fund for person. Let's da de baba.
Martin so me da so di ani baby Alfrevi.
Para mo wa ni goku.
Ni ayen go.
No, Diaby. O se friend ma ko no ha sa say.
Omo je 11-1.
11-1. Next round, say more money. How to be that much of 6 million. We should coach in the year paper more. Continue and they can say so much to be sure say under division more year. No matter expectations emblem from para team there. And then a Olympic and a better. It's a banty. It's a minute in the Pinabano. And I'm the means of meeting the top of Brown League.
Mate, medal se udi ani baby Alfrevi.
Yes sir.
Robert Diago.
Le gabu ko re.
Oh yeah pa.
Ba bikia ayibo ta te tu ne honorable de Sofia mi. Uja brought across the Puka, and then I may have to level one there, which is yet you will be at your papa. The both president, I may have to Sunday, has a book, Uka, but you are there, Brana, you can and as well as a president. I will be emperor, emperor, will be emperor. There's a dear emperor, has a book, you know, yeah.
Mate, medal 74, but Diani baby Alfrevi. Yes, sir. About your medio.
But the Opana no, Opano Casa and Ofer quality. Obo has a format Uncle one. The coach I will begin how you that. For what it's okay to do what you were talking about. It is not no much in Ghana. I don't know. There's no possibility to find it in your point. Bye bye.
Over Ghana, though. No, a scout to my Red Bull to in Ghana, pa. Before, well, dear baby Alfrevi.
I say, tell me, because every severe question.
Tell me, too.
Your boy, as if I was about a long wedding, there are 2 different purposes. Before the committee has a discussion, be a normal Casano. Also, with you, no, you know, Casano. I have to get it. Also,
Mate, medal se pau, dear baby Alfrevi. Yes, sir.
Mamma, tell me what you are going to do now. Lidiana of one who did not have any tobacco, Matuba Banta. I was a continental club master, lawyers are called to book. You say you took me now, you say, papa. As you said, Namania call Edda, Yabati. Hi, give me why that's Anna. I will pay one month on my bank from I'm going to be
Mate, medal so dear baby Alfrevi.
I don't consider poet Laura. But of me, I'm a fresh young guy and I'm a castle for class and I'm in time channel.
Okay.
So, one table phones and fine. I mean, I'm a coffee and cherry. I could show Mukaka. I'm one for men, Thomas, and me, Chimu food and baby, and I'm in the phones one area. So, I poet Laura was booking up, but always I just look at working program.
Mate, before Bow, dear baby Alfrevi.
Fantastic. I would have you.
Marilla go.
No, and then I can say, where as an apostle can also can now which we say a bit to be the channel. And then the crown apostle can based on a class now, we get some sponsors here, a compound and could you based on experience quality players as in a boy African qualities and so from Chicago can say the apostle can move from your football or Muslim ever quality to them because of body.
Mate, made us own our child to Dini baby Alfrevi. Hello. On our child to Dini baby Alfrevi. About your meet you.
Hello.
Meet you.
Hello.
Oh, yeah, me 5 weeks. On our child to Dini baby Alfrevi.
Mediama support Sompa. Mediama, chairman, Mediama. All the way.
Mate, made us here. Crabble, you have a call 3 to 4 everybody. Shoot out on also the aka at our sweet Mera by Damunasi.
One tea, Unipeduasia.